Yeah, please, sir.
Yes,
I beg to mention item number 41.
41.
About I am on behalf of the petitioner, that's okay. About he obtained the permission of the other side. Maybe pass off for the day.
Permission or consent?
Of, permission, malo.
Permission.
No,
41.
malo.
Your
I am for the petitioner, on behalf of petitioner, advocate.
Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. M. Kathoki,
Malo.
learned counsel for the petitioner on the consent of the learned counsel for the respondents praise for listing of the matter after 4 weeks.
For the day, malo, because due to
4
murder
weeks.
ceremony, he could not attend today.
3 weeks.
Or 2 weeks, malo.
2 weeks. Same thing. 2 weeks means after the vacation. 2 weeks. Mr. Players, this after 2 weeks. Yes.
Hello. Hello, with the consent of the petition, I beg to mention item number 6, my lord.
6.
It will be taken out after vacation, my lord.
Any order passed earlier?
No, my lord. The affidavit had been exchanged, my lord. With
Okay.
admission.
On the prayer of Mr. S.
As Bora Lordship.
S. Bora, learned standing on GMC.
Yes.
And on the consent of learned counsel for the petitioner. Praise for listing of the matter after 2 weeks. Praise the list after 2 weeks. Huh?
Well, I have a similar prayer for item number 57 also. My friend has appearing for the petition. Yeah, I need to file affidavit, my lord, from GMDA as well as Department of Housing and Urban Affairs. The instruction has not come, my lord. My friend is appearing for the petition.
I'm paying for date.
On the consent of Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. S. Bora, learned SC, standing on GMD. GMDA. This matter after 4 weeks.
May I pay for date, my lord?
4 weeks.
Immediately.
We thought we'll dispose of the matter.
Problem.
May I please? No, I have filed an IAM in pending case. My prayer it may come on Friday.
Why? Next
for,
week,
for implement party.
Friday.
Right.
May it please your item 28, my lord, with the consent of the petitioner, my lord, I appear for the respondent number 5, my lord.
Yes.
The adjournment for the day. I
On the,
filed an affidavit.
on the prayer of Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the respondent. And prayer not being objected, prayer not objected by learned counsel for this matter after 3 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Make the last. Lord, I beg to mention item 45. Lord, in this case, Lord, we have to take steps for the private respondents, Lord. Lord, the address has yet to be located, Lord. The new address.
For the 3 weeks time is granted to Mr. No, 1 week time is granted to Mr. Ardube, learned counsel for the petitioner to take
Otherwise, Lord, it will be the same.
2 weeks, huh?
Lord.
To take press steps for service of notice upon respondent number?
Private respondents, Lord, 4 and 5.
Respondent number 4 and 5.
Keep the-
This after 3 weeks.
Lordship, with the consent of the petitioners, I beg to mention item 51, Lordship. I am
Hmm.
appearing for the respondents. We are in the process of complying, Lordship, so I am praying that this matter be taken up after 2 weeks.
List after 2 weeks. On the prayer of so and so, huh? For
Much obliged, Lordship.
list contemptor, huh? Yes.
May I please, your lordship, also I beg to mention item number 10. Okay, concern of the other side. For adjournment.
Your for?
Petitioner.
Only prayer of M.H. So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner. List is after 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
My lord, with regard to 18, 19, 20, I had already circulated the adjournment.
Yes, on the prayer of M.S. B. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. List this matters after
vacation.
after 4 weeks. 18, 19, 20. Huh?
Much obliged.
Lord, this matter may come up for admission on Friday, my Lord.
Why?
On Friday, my Lord.
Why the urgency?
My Lord, there is an urgency, my Lord. Last week, the matter has come up, but
Next week.
My Lord,
Monday.
most of this.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 30, your lordship.
30.
Your lordship may kindly adjourn the matter for the day, your lordship.
Huh?
30, your lordship,
Therefore,
for the petitioner.
your name is not there.
Your lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of BK.
Yes, I may so and so, then council prays for adjournment of the matter.
Your lordship, it may be taken up on
Hmm.
Monday, your lordship.
For why it should be fixed? Why?
Your lordship, as my senior is having some personal difficulty today, your lordship.
This on Monday.
No trouble.
Only prayer of saints, huh?
May please.
Yes,
Let me mention item 31, my lord.
yes.
I have to file my lord, executive in reply because this may not, 4 and 5.
What is this People's Development Volunteer Forum?
Yes, my lord.
In this petition, my lord, disputed question of facts is involved, my lord.
Hmm.
In that case, my lord, he may oppose the civil court, my lord.
And
What is your prayer?
my lord,
He
I have
wants
a
to
allotment, my
clarify.
lord. They disputed my allotment, my lord.
Hmm.
Because the resolution was, there is a manipulation of resolution, my lord. Therefore, I have to, my lord.
You file a complaint,
my lord,
criminal complaint.
I have to include those persons,
No, what do you want from this court? It's a writ petition.
Yes.
then the intent is there, my lord. I
We'll go close it.
with liberty, my lord.
We'll close it.
With liberty, I approach the civil court, my lord. They also agree.
Liberty as per law, my lord.
Till then, I may be put, or that otherwise, my lord, I will be evicted.
You are People's Development Volunteer. What is this? Have you
NGO.
been allotted?
NGO, HM.
You have been allotted.
He had been allotted.
Okay. On the prayer of Mr. So and so, London Council, withdraw.
Withdraw with liberty to file civil suit.
Huh.
Till then, my lord, I may be.
No,
put-
that we cannot.
Then my,
It's very difficult.
Then
He
my-
may
I have to
immediately
file
approach the
reply.
civil court.
It's
and
very difficult. You immediately file it.
Yeah,
You take
file
a
an
second injunction.
then
We
my,
can assert the power of the civil court.
then my lord, I have to file reply and as a implement.
No, what is reply? There is nothing. It's purely a disputed question of
Okay,
facts.
At least 1 month time, till then, my.
No, we cannot. We cannot. You immediately file the suit and you file the injunction petition also.
Yes, sir.
You sought for injunction from the civil court. That's all.
Then the observation may be there.
What observation is required?
With liberty to file civil suit, my lord. Unless my lord.
We'll say liberty to approach the civil court,
My.
appropriate civil court will, or jurisdictional civil court, we'll say.
My.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be allowed to withdraw his writ petition with a liberty to approach the appropriate civil court. Please do. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for,
Respond number 4.
and the so-and-so are, is present, respond number. Are
He's
you also
also
appearing?
Good.
Prayer for withdrawal is accepted. Accordingly, writ petition stands disposed of. Closed on withdrawal with the liberty to approach the jurisdictional civil court.
My lord, kindly one of that, my lord, with the consent of the respondent number 4, my lord.
No, it's not required. It's not required, sir.
My lord, otherwise, my lord, they will take.
He
action.
cannot stop you from filing a civil suit or the title suit.
But in the meantime, my lord, even 1 week.
You immediately file, tomorrow file, you file tomorrow.
Therefore, my lord, with the consent, my lord, he is.
How can he allow your withdrawal? How can he give a consent? It's up to you.
Obligation.
Yes.
I beg to mention for listing one writ petition relating to land matter. It was last posted on 19.
You make a, okay. After 2 weeks,
Before vacation immediately.
after 10 days, you give the date and give it.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Yes,
Item number 29, my lord.
yes.
I have the consent for the counsel for the petitioner,
Hmm.
but I am appearing for the APDCA
Hmm.
as standing counsel, my lord. May I pray the matter be taken up after the vacation? We have to file an affidavit, of course.
On the prayer of Mr. S. Banik, London Standing Counsel APDCL, list this matter after 4 weeks. In the meantime, he may file the affidavit in opposition, if so advised.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention for listing of an item. Lordship, the item has been newly filed for.
If it is newly filed, you
Lordship,
mention
Lordship,
before the senior bench.
Lordship, a council from Lucknow is coming to plead in the matter.
Therefore, you make a mention before the senior bench. There's a system, I'm told.
Lordship.
Senior bench. Which court? Okay, it's okay.
May I please? Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 37, Lordship.
Hmm.
In this matter, Lordship, grievance has been raised by the District Commissioner Vishwana. Lordship, matter may be closed.
Huh?
Matter may be closed. Grievance has been redressed, Lordship.
Okay. Mr.
MQ.
MK Hussain, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that the writ petition has become in process as the grievance has already been redressed accordingly.
I'm appearing for respondent number 8 in this.
Mr. Swain, Learned Counsel for the respondent number
8.
8 is present. Accordingly, the writ petition stands closed as in process.
All right.
I don't know what.
Yes.
43 miler, maybe taken after vacation, 43 miler.
Yes.
Please for the petitioner, ma'am.
On the prayer of Mr. MS again, Learned CGC.
Yes, ma'am.
CGC. And as consented, and prayer not being objected to by Mr. Handy.
PJ Fukan.
PJ Fukan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. List this matter after 4 weeks.
Must have been.
May I please mention, before my lordship, the senior starts, we have already filed an affidavit. We are going to file an affidavit of opposition. We have received the signed copy also. We're filing the course of the day.
Your Lordship, he can make his submission on the basis. All pleadings are there.
Why your IA is bigger than the much bigger than the writ petition?
Writ petition is 74 pages. This is only 86 million.
Huh?
This is only 80.
This
99.
is seeking vacation of the interim order.
In fact, I have raised.
Why you have to give all this thing?
Lord, in fact, I have raised the maintainability issue itself, Lord, in the litigation.
Therefore, we'll hear the entire matter together. All right. Where is this order? Interim order is where?
Interim order, your Lordship, will find it annexure 1, page 48, Lord.
Page 48.
Relevant is at page 49.
Petitioner takes step, judgment and order passed in appeal. The District Election Ombudsman, Assam Electric Regulatory Commission still remains suspended till the next date. It has been extended from time
No,
to time.
it was not extended.
The matter ends there.
No, no,
Yes,
it was
Lord,
extended
that's
last time.
why-
It was extended last time.
No, no.
It was
Your
extended.
Lordship may kindly see order dated 29.
Where it is?
In
The IA
I-
was-
29/8, your Lordship may kindly see.
Page 29.
Order dated 29/8, million. Passed in IA. There is no extension, million.
No, IA though we cannot.
In the main
There
case,
is, in the main case, there is
Main
no.
case whether this has been,
And it was
this was
listed together
returnable
on-
up to 4 weeks. It was listed on, last listed on,
On 29/8,
29th, my lord.
no, that was your IA was listed on that day.
Yes, my lord.
along with
Not-
the WPC.
It's okay. See, once it is vacated, what you will get? Convenience. Suppose we vacate this day, then what remains?
My lord.
It has to be implemented. Is it in your favor?
The order passed by.
Order is what? What is the order of the ombudsman?
Order of the ombudsman is that the supplementary bill issued by APDCL cannot be given effect to indefinite. And they were given an option to approach the audit party to drop the proceeding. That was the liberty granted to them without approaching the audit party as well as the other alternative forum prescribed in the Assam Electricity Regulatory Commission redressal of consumer grievances redressal forum. Provision is there. They can approach the AERC, Assam Electricity Regulatory Commission, without approaching those alternative forums. They directly approach this honorable. And the time was given under the,
Is it efficacious?
My lord, when the alternative remedy.
No, is it efficacious? It's not an alternative remedy. It's not only the availability of alternative remedy, it has to be efficacious. 1998, recently also, availability of alternative remedy
Cannot
per
be.
se
Cannot
is
be a
not
bar.
be a bar
My
to
lord,
exercise jurisdiction.
It can be exercised if the grounds or the pleadings are made in the read petition regarding certiorari jurisdiction. Your lordship can exercise certiorari jurisdiction, supervisory jurisdiction, and power of judicial review.
Willful,
There is not a single aberrament in the.
ABL International, and then
Indian International is regarding disputed question of fact.
no, it includes the alternative availability alternative. Willful 1998, then recent one,
Yes, yes.
relying on discussing on all those. So-
Recently, Radhakrishnan judge.
So this is, if
They-
it is, if we vacate this order, what remains?
No, in fact, the entire matter.
That will proceed, yes.
It is a lordship.
So it's better to
I
hear
can
the
place
entire,
only four-
we're here the entire matter.
It is up to you. I leave it.
What do you say? What do you suggest?
In fact, the matter can be disposed of. Now
Not,
at this
no-
stage itself.
not today.
Maybe-
We'll
maybe
fix,
the
list
lordship-
it for,
My lord, the jurisdiction issue which my learned senior is talking about,
hmm.
as per the scheme of the act, it is only the consumer who has the right to go for an appeal.
Hmm.
And as such, my lord, we had to approach a writ jurisdiction.
Heard Mr. S.K. Kejriwal, learned counsel for the petitioner. Better go for a disposal of the entire matter.
And we are covered by lord's own judgment in Aviraj Hatcheries. That 56(2), we are allowed to issue any bill, but only disconnection is not allowed. Lord's own
Today
judgment-
we're just adjourning the matter. But yet you have filed an objection which is not on record. All right. And we can with hope and trust that the entire matter we'll keep it pending.
My lord,
What I said? Kejriwal, learned counsel for the applicant. Oblique respondent number?
2.
Respondent number 2. Respondent. Mr. So-and-so,
SP Sharma, my lord.
learned counsel for the opposite party,
Respondent number 1.
FPDCL, established that he has filed an
Writ petition.
objection to the introductory application today. Mr. Hauber, same is not brought on record. This stuff. The registry to verify and bring on record if the objection is filed. This stuff. In writ petition is also there. In writ petition,
My lord, I'm the writ petitioner.
you have filed the affidavit.
No, my lord, I have not.
Okay, in that case, list the matter after 2 weeks.
No, let it be sometime in November because I will be out of the station
It's up to you.
in November.
As agreed to by learned counsel for the petition parties, let this matter be listed in the first week of November.
My lord, interim order will be continued.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue.
That will be heard on the next day.
Hmm?
Interim matter will be heard on next day.
We kept it pending. It is,
Otherwise, they
we're
will-
pending, we're keeping it pending. Your IA is pending, not, it were not discussed, disposed of.
Much of it.
I will.
Or you want to dispose of the
I-
IA,
I
because
will-
I'm not inclined to vacate it.
I will.
For a simple reason that, once the writ petition is pending, if we vacate it, then virtually,
No, the
you-
entire
then
matter will
proceed.
be heard on
Yeah.
that date.
that's where. So we'll just keep it pending.
For individual party, item 55.
Yes,
Maybe. There is a market millard and market NIT was issued. First NIT, annexer A millard page 7 in my IA millard.
you are also a bidder.
I was a bidder, but market was not given. That NIT was kept.
We call it a bidder or something else,
Bidder university.
bidder. The,
File and NIT, then I am bidder. And
So,
that
you are
NIT
for
was.
the, you are for the petitioner.
I am hearing the writ petition, Your Lordship, but in fact, Your Lordship, the
No, if he's a bidder and there's a stay,
There is no.
no,
No,
but then
stay is there, Your Lordship.
yes, not
There
to,
is no-
not to finalize.
Yes.
Proceed with, but not to finalize.
Either he or I, Miller, though we are not enjoying the market. Market is not running by the.
It's all right. What is the order in the, have you seen the order? You have annexed it?
I have an explanation. Kindly
Then-
check it out, page 17, sorry, Miller, order is page 27, Miller, you should can see. And 27, 28 is relevant, and
Proceeding the first tender, that while proceeding with the first tender, the respondent shall not make any settlement on the basis of said tender.
yes,
Hmm?
and the market will be run by the department.
Hmm. So you are one of the bidder.
Yeah, man.
No. In case of the first tender, your lordship, I think they have no locus standi. Herein, your lordship, there is.
Second tender he has.
Yes.
Your challenge is to the second tender.
Yes, I have challenged the.
So he have participated in the second tender.
No, he has not participated in the first tender, your lordship.
Sir, I'm saying why you are, the challenge is what, second tender?
Second tender, your lordship.
So,
My first contention.
we're implementing him.
Lordship.
You are saying that by the first tender, you are found to be most suitable or
Yes, in the first tender, your lordship, we are the eligible bidder.
yes.
But without considering our settlement, they have issued the second NIT.
Therefore, the challenge is what?
But they
Challenge
have-
is what?
My challenge is the second tender, your.
Then he has
I think
participated in the
it's a
second
rejection-
tender.
Rejection of my application, your lordship.
Yes.
So my case is that, your lordship, they have not even participated.
Sir, I have understood. They have not participated in the first
First
case.
tender, your lordship.
First tender. Second tender, they have participated. So your challenge is what? First tender or second tender?
Basically, I have challenged the second tender, your lordship, but the fact is that without considering the valid tender of the first tender, they have not,
That will
They
be
have
a hearing, not now, problem is that there is the.
they have issued the second tender, your lordship.
Yes, at the time of hearing.
Sir, that's why I'm saying when he has already participated in the second tender, he is a necessary party.
But-
Right. Because your challenge is second tender.
And my submission to lordship is this.
Or Mr. So-and-so, we're implementing. We're allowing the implement. What's there? You find out, you contest the case. Let him contest.
My lord.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Here in your lordship, what I'm trying
Oh.
to your lordship submit is that, your lordship, there is two tender, your lordship. In first tender, your lordship, we are the eligible. bidder.
Rajiv, I have
And-
not read your brief. You are eligible in the first tender.
First tender, your lordship.
Thereafter, without the cancellation of the first tender, they have issued a second tender.
They have cancelled my application, your lordship, without valid reason, your lordship. They have cancelled my application without assigning valid reason, your lordship.
So,
And accordingly, your lordship, we have challenged the second tender, and that this honorable court has passed the interim order. your lordship.
hmm.
So
That's
I may be allowed to file my objection, your lordship.
What objection? Nothing. We'll implead him, we'll allow you to, them to contest your case. All right.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, applicant. By filing this, by filing this application, the applicant prays for applicants prays for implement as party respondent in the connected WPC number 4586 of 2025. You said heard Mr. And also heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the opposite party respondent, writ petitioner, huh? Writ petitioner. Opposite party number 1, writ petitioner.
Name of the market is Sutarpura Cattle Market.
Just wait.
That is not in paragraph. Is four first line, first sentence. Including Sutarpura Cattle, Usuhat.
The petition, the opposite party, number 1, writ petition, filed a connected writ petition being WPC 4586 of 2025, challenging the retender being NIT dated 25/07/2025 in respect of Sutarpara Pasuhat on the ground that the petitioner was eligible in the first tender being NIT dated 05/06/2025. And so that considering the petitioner, that considering the settlement, so that completion of the settlement process of the said tender, of the first tender, wherein the petitioner was found most eligible, was found eligible, and so as to settle the market in favor of a certain favored bidders, but certain favored persons, the respondent authorities has illegally issued the second tender dated 25/07/2025. List of the petitioner, the applicant, next para, claims to be one of the bidders in the second tender, which is under challenge. List of having considered that the challenge made in this in the connected WPC so and so is to the second tender dated 27/5/2025. In which the applicant has stated to have participated, I deem it appropriate. I am of the considered view that the petitioner, the applicant would be a necessary party in the connected writ proceedings. List of in view of above, I'm deem it appropriate to allow this application in pleading for impleadment. Pleading the applicant as respondent number 5 in the connected writ petition. Accordingly, the applicant is allowed to be pleaded as respondent 5 in the WPC so and so, so and so. Then the IA stands allowed and disposed of. Next, in writ petition, you write, in view of the order passed in so and so, so and so, petitioner to file amended cost. You file amended cost, no issue.
They will file it.
List of. Have you received a copy of the?
I'll file it.
They will serve a copy to Mary.
On filing of the amended cost title, raised it to incorporate the newly pleaded respondent for 5. Petitioner to furnish a copy of the writ petition to the newly land council for the newly pleaded so and so, so and so. Respondent number 5.
And we had cost.
Interim order first, earlier shall continue. It's up to,
Yes.
it's till returnable debt. Is it till returnable debt?
Oh, no,
There is not a, Millard.
Okay, then we'll not say anything.
5/9/25, it was listed, only 2 weeks time was granted to them, Millard, to file affidavit by the government, to the government.
Hmm.
Receive the instruction, my lord, I'll file.
Yes.
Lordship, it.
Parties may exchange their pleadings. Parties may exchange their pleadings.
Lordship, date may be fixed, your lordship, before any other days before vacation, your lordship.
It's up to you. You agree to that.
On 25, your lordship.
Hmm. As agreed to by learned counsel for the parties, let this matter be listed on 25, 9/20/25.
Along with repetition number 437,
Why?
same matter, your lordship.
Now, there will come tomorrow, I have.
Along with,
Yes,
along with WPC,
4371. Public
43,
4371 2020.
7.
7/1/2027.
Ah. All right. Are you ready for that?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
My lord, in this case, my lord, I have received the, although it's a old pending matter, my lord, I have received a repetition on 3/9/2025 only, my lord. Some time, my lord, to apply
What
instruction.
you have?
I have received the repetition 3/9/25, my lord. Earlier, it was handled by government advocates, my lord. Being the standing council, I have received 3/9/25.
Your lordship, in earlier orders, lordship, your lordship, there is the order. One of the
A
orders.
copy of that along with the enclosed to us that during the course of the day.
Yes, thereafter, they serve on 3/9/25.
One day later only, lordship, we have.
But then court has directed to
Yes.
during the course of the day.
Yes, ma'am.
Just only-
Mr. S. Datta, learned standing council PNR, the department submits that since she has been served with the copy of the writ petition on 03/09/2025, sometime may be granted to receive instruction. Mr. So-and-so is present. Considering above, that this matter will be listed after 3 weeks.
Ma'am, kindly, a date may be fixed, lordship.
What is the matter?
Lordship, this matter pertains to lordship. Demolition notices were served to the petitioners, lordship.
There
They are
is
having-
stay in your
Yes,
favor.
lordship, yes, lordship.
Ah,
Already protected. As a blessed. Interim order, lordship. Interim order, lordship. already.
interim order for salvation.
As a blessed.
Lordship, here I was supposed to file an affidavit.
Yes.
Lordship, affidavit has been prepared, but some clarification is required that I will be receiving it today. Lordship, may take it up immediately on reopening.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petition. Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned
PWD.
standing counsel PWD submits that although the affidavit is ready, our certain instruction is yet to be received, which he will be receiving
Today.
receiving during the course of the receiving today. Therefore, phrase for phrase of listing of the matter after 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
No.
Considering above, that this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Okay.
Okay.
Lordship, my lord, this matter pertains to, my lord, death benefit of rural life insurance policy, my lord, postal life insurance policy. My lord, to cut short, my lord, may I pray, my lord, kindly peruse the order dated 23/2/2022. My lord, by this order, this honorable court directed the authority to produce the confidential report, my lord. That is the, my lord.
And to file an additional affidavit
Additional that has
for
been filed.
showing the age of the father.
Yes,
My lord.
it's last order.
I have filed the reply and they have.
Not reply, additional. additional affidavit showing the age of your father.
My lord, after the death, my lord, except the those certificates, my lord, there is nothing in our hand, my lord.
Can you not,
That's why, my lord, we could not.
can you not know the age of your father? Any documents, school certificate, whatever? Who are you?
I'm the son, my lord.
So,
I'm the
what kind of son you are?
My lord, next.
You don't know.
My lord, after the vacation, my lord, any date may be fixed.
It's very difficult.
My lord, it has come after long.
Are you a real son
Yes, my lord.
or poster son
Yes. Yes,
or
my
a
lord.
stepson?
No, my lord, I'm the real son.
Then it's very strange that you would not know your age of your father.
Actually, my lord, this area flood affected, my lord. My lord, thing is that, my lord, for long period, my lord, I could not contact with my
On the prayer of Mr.
M. Ali.
You say no first. Don't try to
My lord, that
don't beat around bush.
My lord, that confidential report also, my lord, important for the.
It's important, but it's recorded having considered the issue involved.
Lordship, immediately after vacation.
On the prayer of Mr.
M. Ali. M. Ali.
M. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner. Although this the learned counsel for the petitioner was granted 2 weeks time to file additional affidavit showing the age of the father of the petitioner, what is on the prayer of strangers? Further, 2 weeks time is granted to file additional affidavit as directed by this court on 03/04/2025.
Bless.
May I please, your lordship? The matter may be passed over for the time being. Dear Lord, as my finger is lagging behind in court number 1.
You are appearing for?
I'm appearing for respondent number 1 and 2, All India Limited.
Who is for respondent number 4?
Respondent number 3, I think.
4.
4.
You are 3.
I am for 1 and 2.
Who is for 3?
In my
4.
petition, it is only till 3. Respondent number 3, the deputy commissioner, cum collector.
Then why there is the order for taking service? Newly implemented respondent number 4.
Oh. When the first title
Appeared on behalf of, who is this learned counsel appear on behalf of respondent number 4?
Is the party's name Technogrid? Respondent number 4, the party's name is Technogrid.
Somebody has appeared.
No. What is this issue is basically they are a bricklaying owner. They are saying that because Oil India has conducted certain seismic survey for exploration of oil.
Yes.
So there was some
compensation.
damage to his bricklaying. Now, therefore, his entire case is on a representation that he has filed in the petition. Nothing is it. The vague representation saying that because of your blast there, that is around 2 kilometers away, my chimney had suffered some breakage. So therefore, give me compensation. I think this is not a case that is maintainable in the High Court. It has to go to the civil court if at all they have a case there. And we have denied in our affidavit. We have said that nothing of that sort has happened.
No blasting.
Blasting has happened, but for blasting 2 kilometers away in your bricklaying, your chimney has
Blasting,
broken.
but there is no explosion.
Explosion, but no breakage in your bricklaying.
No, I'm asking Mr. Sharma. There was a blasting, but there is no explosion.
Blasting is a controlled blasting, but blasting leading to damage to his bricklaying is what I have denied.
So,
blasting has taken place because blasting is a part of the seismic survey done through a contractor.
what is under what law you are entitled for compensation? Suppose if damage is caused.
Dear Lord,
Nothing to quantify his damage, no document, no evidence, nothing, not even a single photograph of his bricklaying being damaged.
After some time, we'll dispose it out.
possibly.
Item 7. Number 7.
Which for the respondent?
Yeah, respondents are.
Chief Secretary, Secretary to Government Assam, Skill
Hello.
Development, Union of India, Officer in Charge, Composite Regional Center.
Main respondent is 6 and 7.
Non-appears for the petition on call. Are you appearing?
I'm appealing for only respondent number 1. We have no rule.
Mr. So and so, Learned Council, State Council appears for respondent one. How about non-appears for the other respondents? This after 4 weeks.
Number 8.
In item number 8, Lordship, we have been directed to obtain certain instructions, Lordship, and we have received the instructions that because of that notice, they have preferred an application before the Deputy Commissioner. Accordingly, Deputy Commissioner placed it before the Circle Officer, and a miscellaneous case has been initiated, and because of that, Lordship, this eviction was discontinued.
But herein, your lordship, kindly have a look. Order dated 21/2025.
Yes, pursuant to that order, Lordship.
21/2025, your lordship, kindly.
21.
21/2025.
That the learner and student praise he may give an week's time to receive the 2001.
Yes. 20.
Next to steps taken to comment on the Panchayat in respect to others who were in this in the question who had.
Now it is discontinued, Lordship, because of that miscellaneous application.
Your challenge is the eviction notice.
Eviction notice.
It has been discontinued.
Discontinued. And a miscase.
Have you recalled that?
That has not yet been recalled, but a miscellaneous case is initiated, Lordship.
But herein, your lordship, the petitioner.
Are you aware of that?
No.
Then?
Herein, the petitioner, they are the shopkeeper, your lordship.
It's all right.
186%.
See, your application, your case has been initiated already.
Yes.
It's under consideration by the appropriate authority.
Yes.
Let them consider.
Yes, yes.
What's there? So we'll close it.
Yes, Lordship. By that way, it can be closed. That's because a miscellaneous, that miscase number.
Where is the impure order?
Yes, 20, your lordship.
Where is 20?
Yes.
They have informed you that you have been possessing government land constructing illegal permanents of over a plot of land covered by diagnosis. A written complaint is filed from Malda and Senegal at the office. This 6 persons are before this court?
Yes, only this, the notice, only the notice of eviction has been issued only to the 6%, your lordship, but not any others who are doing their shop nearby the shop of the petitioner.
It doesn't make a difference. They were aware of what is the
Admittedly, your lordship, the market is situated over a golf first land, your lordship.
Are you claiming negative equality?
No.
Then?
If they will consider, then I have.
No, you are admittedly an encroacher.
No.
If others had not been taken action, what's wrong? I mean, what right
The equal treatment.
do you have?
That's
why I said the Article 14.
Yes.
It doesn't postulate any negative equality. It's always positive.
And apart from that, your lordship, the lessee has submitted a show cause reply, wherein he has admitted that some person has encroached. the
Forget
land.
it. Ultimately, are you an encroacher? Have you have any valid document?
That is an admitted position, Lordship. There
Are you having a valid document?
From the reply of the show cause notice,
Sir, better to withdraw because they are in, they have already initiated. Otherwise, you'll dismiss the writ petition, then you will have a problem. Then nothing will be considered next.
if my friend submit that, they will consider your lordship. With that observation, your lordship can close it. Your lordship.
consideration is not there.
No,
Miscellaneous application.
admission, it is admittedly you are an encroacher. All right. Anyway, we'll close it.
Let them file to.
On your prayer word, close it. Let the authority to proceed with the that miscellaneous
Lordship.
application.
Yes, Lordship.
Lordship,
And then if you have anything against on the the outcome of the proceedings, you may come back
Yes,
for
Lord.
this. That is different issue. Otherwise, if you decide on merit, they will not proceed. You are gone.
Okay, with that observation, your lordship can close.
What observation?
They have already initiated
Miscase.
miscellaneous application, your lordship, for consideration. With that,
Therefore, you are withdrawing the writ petition.
with that observation, your lordship can close it.
Yes, heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr.
H. Sharma.
H. Sharma, learned state counsel.
Lordship.
You write only. Why are you keeping silent? You are 1 and 2. 1 is always first. Is it last? Okay. You are for
For the state authority, Lordship.
respondent number.
Lordship, let me.
Revenue department
Uh,
is not within the state. Is not a department of the
Yes,
state.
Lordship, they have got separate.
I know. I'm just asking.
They have, they have their own.
Then you chronology heard also heard 1, 2, 3. Whoever is there. Chronology.
For Lordship, I am for the Deputy Commissioner Circle
Ah.
Officer. H. Sharma, 3 and 4.
You are the concerned authority.
Lordship.
You say so. By this writ petition has been instituted by 6 petitioners. Are you
Yes.
6 petitioners
Yes.
challenging the notice dated 23/05/2022 issued by the circle officer, Bagbar Revenue Circle, whereby the petitioners
H. Sharma, 3 and 4.
have been directed to remove the shop and to vacate the land illegally encroached by the petitioners. List of next period. The petitioner claims to be the shopkeepers running a petty business in Miluji Bazar under Mandia Anchalik Panchayat. Mandia,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
District Barpeta, Assam. List of the Milijuli.
Milijuli.
It is Milijuli.
Milijuli.
The name itself
Yes, yes.
indicates all Milijuli. Huh? The Milijuli Bazar is a government market managed by way of settlement. Which is situated on a government caste land covered by DAG number 1 of village Konara, seat number 15 under Moja Mandia. List of Mr. It is the contention of the petitioner, next one, that they're running their shops by constructing what is called, what constructing of what? Constructing of Assam type rooms over the land list of the respondent authorities selectively issued the notice, impure notice, while allowing the other equally similarly situated persons to run their shops in the said Milijuli market list of. Next paragraph. Next paragraph. Mr. What is your instruction?
Lordship.
Mr. H. Sharma, London State Council. While placing the copy of the, while placing a copy of the instruction dated, no, communication dated 06/09/2025. Mr. Sharma, on their petition only, though, you have just mentioned the miscase.
Yes, Lordship, that on their petition, Lordship.
And you have discontinued the process because of the stay of the interim order of this court.
And Lordship, that miscellaneous application, miscase is initiated, Lordship.
But
so till disposal of the miscase, Lordship, this interim order shall continue.
no. This is something.
If this miscase.
The moment we dispose of this matter, you'll reject his petition.
In that case, Lordship, if it is rejected with a reason ground, he can again approach, Lordship. As because a miscellaneous application, miscase is already initiated on the basis of the application submitted by them, Lordship. As because, Lordship, if it is rejected.
Yeah, small, I mean, the shopkeepers, I mean, the petty businessmen, whatever, they will not afford to
Yes,
come
Lordship.
back again and again.
If it is rejected without any reason ground, Lordship, in that case, they can again approach, Lordship. But apparently, Lordship, they are on a government land and just side of the
See,
road.
your miscase has been just, I mean, numbered. Miscase has been numbered on their petition only.
Yes. Yes, Lordship. As because they have submitted those petitions.
And you have said the guard issued notice 6 number and procedure so and so. No record report is available, but upon receipt of eviction notice, the resident parties encourage several prayer visitation for stopping of the.
Second paragraph, Lordship.
You will not consider that, I suppose. You will not be, it not to be fair to them.
So if it is unfairly
Anyway,
affected,
submits that. Communication dated, 06/09/22, submits that. The, on the
Yeah.
application filed by the petitioners, the authority has initiated a initiated the process to consider their cases being missed case number 29 of 2022. And the process for the eviction proceedings has been discontinued in view of the interim order dated 27/05/2022 passed by this court. Therefore, he submits that the authorities may be permitted to complete the proceedings in the missed case number 29 of 2022. Please stop. The next paragraph, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioners, fairly submits that since the authorities have initiated the proceedings being missed case number 29 of 2022, same may be brought to its logical conclusion by hearing the by providing an opportunity of hearing to the petitioners, and therefore the writ petition can be closed with a direction to the respondent authorities to complete the proceedings as initiated proceeding in the miscellaneous case number 29 of 2020. Next paragraph. Having considered the submissions of learned counsel for the parties, and also considering that the eviction proceedings and the proceedings with regard to the eviction and the grievances raised by the petitioner against such eviction process has already been initiated by the respondent authorities, and of the considerability. The appropriate course of action would be to allow the respondent authorities to complete the proceedings in missed case number 29 of 2022. Accordingly, this writ petition is disposed of with a direction to the respondent authorities to complete the proceedings in miscellaneous case number 29 of 2022 by providing an opportunity of fair hearing to the petitioners. That's all.
And till then, Lordship, there may be.
Yes, till then, your Lordship, the interim order first earlier that shall be continued.
That will be proper.
One line, your Lordship may.
No, they have already discontinued. They have already discontinued.
The process of.
It is made clear that till the proceedings of miscellaneous case number 29 of 2022 is completed, the interim order passed in this passed on 27/05/2022 shall continue. Then we'll give time frame to complete. To complete the so and so that in between within a period of 2 months,
2 months.
2 months from today.
One line may be reflected in the order, your lordship, that the business of the
The-
petitioners,
Huh?
that the business of the petitioners, the business of the petitioner is the source of survival, your lordship.
Kabalo dile hubole na bisaribi.
May it be
Correct.
lordship.
Nai bisaribi.
May it be the lordship. May it be the lordship. Item number 5, the leftover matter.
Yes.
Kindly be taken up. The other side is here.
Yes.
My lord, here the newly impeached respondent number 4, my lord. My lord, he has filed a wakalat now, but he is not filing the response, my lord. But the
What is there?
my lord,
Under which law you are claiming compensation?
my lord, there is my lord, some assessment has been also done, my lord, by the my lord, deputy commissioner, ADC, some assessment. has
Under
been-
which law?
assessment has been.
You file a damage suit or the compensation suit?
No, my
You
lord,
file a suit for compensation under civil law.
my lord, kindly only one aspect, my lord, that let the other.
See, public, you are a businessman. According to the allegation is a destruction or what do you call it?
My lord, because of
Bricklink chimney is cracked because of explosion
explosion.
that took place in Oil India's fields.
Yes,
2
that's what I'm
kilometers
saying.
away. That
No,
is
no,
his
it's
claim.
okay. So you are a businessman.
My lord.
Wrongly, rightly, your chimney, whatever, it's damaged. Your property has been damaged.
His claim.
Cannot be we cannot take it as a public law remedy.
My lord,
Right.
my lord, that is an aspect.
If the deputy commissioner had made an assessment, that's why I'm asking, under which law?
No, because there's authority that my lord, well they have my lord conducted the contract has been entrusted to the my lord contractor. There is some guidelines, my lord. And earlier also,
Where
my
is
lord,
where is the guideline?
my lord, that I will be
Is the guideline provides any compensation?
my lord compensations for regarding that aspect, my lord, some my lord,
Under the guideline,
guidelines are
where
there.
it is?
My lord, I'm not annexing, my lord, because it is.
You are claiming in compensation.
my lord.
You are not,
There
if
is
you are
no-
relying on
see,
any
my lord,
documents,
there
why
is
on
the-
it?
in my humble submission, the IOC has already filed their affidavit, my lord, as per their my lord amendments made in that.
They are saying that
Only the contractor has to be appear, my lord, and my lord, those persons who have carried out this, my lord.
no, whether contractor
that's what
has
let them
carried out
file
a
their
blasting or explosion, whatever is there, it's 2 kilometer away.
my lord.
And that effort, you are not able to show that under which law you are claiming
My
compensation.
lord, definitely, I will my lord, bring to record those records. Let them, my lord, file their response. Thereafter, as per your lordship discussion, lordship may, my lord, pass any order, my lord.
No, what I'm saying, it's a compensation. You are not, I mean,
Respondent
you
number
you have not been left with, remedy.
my lord,
You have not been made remediless.
my lord. My lord
But
is
I'm
correct.
suggesting, prima facie, you are not able to show
My
that
lord is
under
correct.
which law you are making a claiming compensation. And for that, it's a purely a civil, thing. You approach the civil court for
My
compensation.
lord, my only one humble submission. My lord is
So
correct.
normally in writ jurisdiction, we exercise under the public law
My lord,
remedy.
there is no, my lord, the review is my lord, very limited. My lord, only my one humble submission. Let them file as response, my lord, from their side.
What
Thereafter-
difference will be there?
Because this, my lord, the
What difference will make?
my lord, let them file the response because some assessment has been made and communication has been.
Who is respondent number 4?
Responding number 4, Wakala number 5, he is not, my lord.
Who is? You catch all of him.
My lord,
But,
lordship may
but
fix
you
the
have to
matter.
establish first your case.
Yes, yes, my lord, definitely. I will, lordship may fix the date, my lord. Immediately after vacation, I will communicate with this, my lord, that council. my
On
lord.
the prayer of Mr.
BK Das, my lord.
B.K. Das, learned counsel for, let him grant something.
My lord.
Learned counsel for the petitioner.
I am A. Sharma for 1 and 2.
List this matter after 3 weeks. List of, on the next day, learned counsel for the petitioners to address this court. Under which law the petitioner is seeking compensation for damage of the
My lord,
chimney of
Alleged
damage of the
chimney
of the brick kiln.
Petitioner's farm.
KILN. Huh? As alleged to have been caused due to explosion.
due to
My lord,
basically seismic survey, which is done by controlled explosion.
No, at least due to
Booming.
explosion, due to
Basically the scope of work is seismic survey. Now, for exploring
No,
the oil,
what he's alleging, what I'm saying, this is what I'm recording.
but it doesn't
Huh?
fit.
Explosion, my lord, explosion, the bomb blast.
At least
Bomb blast.
explosion of
To find out. my lord.
explosion carried out by the
Plus has got various interpretations. So
carried out. We should say explosion.
No,
We'll say the
explosion.
explosion
seismic
carried
survey
out
actually.
for seismic
Survey,
survey by All India. Or All India.
Oil India Limited.
All India Limited.
Also will record my presence kindly.
Mr. A.K.
Sharma for
A.
what?
Sharma, Learned Counsel for Respondent 1 and 2 is present.
Ma'am.
The Learned Counsel for the petitioner also undertakes to inform the Learned Counsel for the respondent number 4 for his response.
Oblige, Lord.
Wait, Mr. Lordship, matter is regarding GRAP compensation.
Yes.
The authority have not assessed properly. Only they assess the.
You want to file
boundary wall.
rejoinder?
Yes, I have submitted two representation on another.
Last time you have sought for time to file a rejoinder.
Lordship. I'll file.
What is the stand of the estate?
Lordship, in paragraph 6 of the affidavit filed by the respondent number 3. Here, Lordship, we have calculated the amount at the paragraph 5 also, Lordship. We have calculated the amount.
The responsible zero stocks had been rightly fixed, and so because there was only a brick boundary wall on this plot, and then moreover, along with the references, has not understood any such. The prisoner has not collected his check amount. Yes, you collect 57,000. That's all.
Lordship, they only assess the boundary wall.
So-
And there is two houses.
You
Two
have not.
houses on Bori people.
So you show us there are two houses
and
which
some
has been
trees- some
damaged.
trees also there. Annexer, Lordship, Lordship, I have annex at page 31 in my writ petition. Page 31 and 32. There is some trees there.
How do I
Forest
know this?
department
Why not
cut down these trees.
It has to be proved. Why not civil court?
Lordship,
He has got a remedy, Lordship, that's because for enhancement of this Zirat amount, he can approve the district judge, Lordship. That is the appropriate authority, Lordship. That's because disputed question of facts, Lordship.
Under which law?
The fair compensation, Lordship.
This is under 2013.
Yes, Lordship.
Lordship, I have submitted two representation before.
Representation will not
cannot-
do.
they cannot
You will have to go by you approach by a proper application.
Lordship. They only assess on the my bricks boundary wall and my two houses.
Is it under here 2013 Act?
Yes, Lordship, 2013. Right to fair compensation and transparency in land
Under
acquisition.
where? Which provision?
Rehabilitation.
64, Lordship.
No, that I know. Under which?
That's it.
Zirat is under what? Compensation under which section?
Bioweapon award, Lordship, it was.
Lordship,
So you approach you have the authority.
Yes. The authority is defined, Lordship, this is the notification, Lordship. I am placing it, the notification before your Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship.
you approach. But it has to be within certain days. There's a limitation also.
Lordship. Most probably, Lordship, he has. Lordship, within the limitation period, I have submitted the objection as well as the representation before this authority, Lordship.
Then
But
what
my representation have not considered till date.
representation, or are you have made a reference? Have you made an application for reference?
Yes. Only representation, Lordship.
Where is the reference?
The representation.
Not the representation, application for reference to the authority. Under section 64.
Lordship, no, I have not filed this.
You withdraw the
Only
writ petition, will allow you to file an application for reference under section 64 of the Right to Fair Compensation.
Lordship.
Liberty will grant you.
Lordship.
But we're not saying anything on the limitation. Can your representation can be treated an application for reference?
Lordship, in my writ petition, I have mentioned the section, all section, at para 7, page 7, para 7, Lordship.
Saying what?
Lordship, may I?
No, whether your representation talks about, is it for reference?
Which is, Lordship, may I? Read?
See, if you are not, what is this? Interested who has not accepted the award may by written application to the collector require the matter be referred by the collector for determination authority as the case may be.
Lordship.
Whether his objection be to the measurement of land, the amount of compensation, the person of. So you have to make an application for reference before the deputy commissioner or the collector.
Lordship.
Then they will refer it to you.
Lordship, I submitted a legal notice also. I have mentioned the all section in my legal notice and compensation. Everything is there.
Let us see. Not legal notice. Application, your application.
Lordship. Para 7 and 8, Lordship. Page 6 and 8, Lordship. I have mentioned all the sections.
You in your legal notice also you said as claimed by my client as 10 parental of the 16. You are seeking payment. Why you have said that your application be referred, your matter be referred.
The authority have not properly assessed my GIRAT compensation. I have received the land compensation, but
where is the award?
Lordship, I have not mentioned land compensation, but I have received the land compensation, but GIRAT compensation I have not received, Lordship.
Where is the award?
Because, Lordship.
Where is the award?
Lordship, at page 17, Lordship, at page 17, 1. Serial number 1, Lordship. Only they consider my brick boundary wall and other 2 houses, some
ultimately,
Lordship.
It is a compensation.
Lordship.
Right.
Lordship.
You read section 64.
Lordship. Lordship. Mary, Lordship. Reference to the authority, 1. Any person interested who has not accepted the award may, by written application to the collector, require that the matter may be referred by the collector for the determination of the authority. As the case may be, whether his objection be to the measurement of the land, the amount of the compensation, the person to whom it is payable, the right of the rehabilitation and resettlement under chapters 5 and 6, or the apportionment of the compensation among the persons interested, provided that the collector shall, within a period of 30 days from the date of receipt of the application, make a reference to the appropriate authority, provided further that where the collector fails to make such reference within the period so specified, the applicant may apply to the authority as the case may be. The period so specified, the applicant may apply to the authority as the case may be, requesting it to direct the collector to make reference to it within a period of 30 days. Number 2, the application shall state the grounds on which objection to the award is taken, provided that every such application shall be met. A, if the person making it was present or represented before the collector at the time when he made his award within 6 weeks from the date of the collector is a award. In other cases, within 6 weeks of the receipt of the notice from the collector under section 21, or within 6 months from the date of the collector's award, whichever period shall first expire.
It's okay.
Lordship.
It's okay. Then yes.
Only I have submitted representation only, Lordship.
So cannot help it. You have missed the boat. So that's all.
Lordship, I may allow to another date.
Why?
Lordship.
You have not able the remedy. This award is of 2021.
Lordship.
When did you file this writ petition? 22.
Petition, Lordship, 29/8/2022, Lordship.
This of what?
And my representation, Lordship, 12/7/2021.
The award is only
Zirat compensation award is 57,000. 50.
Date of the award?
Date of award, Lordship, as per the details of the
10/9.
the
10/2.
10/2/21, Lordship.
10/2/21. Who is this? Who has served this legal notice? Yourself.
Lordship, another advocate, Lordship.
So, is a wrong advice.
Lordship.
Would have properly advised.
Lordship, similarly situated petitioner also, the second one, consider everything, Lordship. And they are, they are consider everything, but in my case, only
Consider
boundary
everything.
wall consider and another two houses, some.
We don't
prepaid-
know, we don't know, we're not on that. We're on the procedure.
Lordship.
Are you agree? Do you agree? Do you agree that you should have approached the collector under section 64?
No,
You don't agree? You don't agree?
no, Lordship, my petitioner not approach as per law.
So you are supposed to, which it was within that period when you filed an it's a requisition or acquisition,
Requisition, Lordship.
and the payment is under 2013 Act.
Lordship.
Hmm? Yes, you are dismissing. I'm dismissing your writ petition. You have not approached the, availed the remedy as provided under the law, and it's too late in a day to allow you to approach.
Lordship.
That will be against the mandate of the provision. Yes, heard Mr. Your name, please?
A. Wahab, Lordship.
A. Wahab, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard.
H. Sharma, 3, 4, and 5.
Then
For 2 years, actually, and Bordolay.
who is one?
Say Union of.
Okay. You Bordolay, so and so, so and so. Non appears for the respondent number 1. Despite service of notice. By filing this petition, the petitioner has prayed for a direction to assess the Jirat and other properties, to assess the Jirat oblique properties and to pay adequate compensation about the scheduled land measuring 6. What is 6 biga? 4 kata, 14 letter, covered by DAG number 171 and 202 at village Batipara within bracket Jogi Gopa, bracket close. Page 9. Revenue village Boita Mari, PS Jagi Gopa, in the district of Bongaigaon, Assam. List of the sort. No, this case of the petitioner in nutshell is that a land measuring 6 biga, 4 kata, 14 letters was requisition for exemption of proposed right of way for construction of external truck connectivity from MMLP Jagigofa to IWA Port PORT and from WIA Port to NH17 by the Deputy Commissioner, Bongaigaon. List of the land belongs to the petitioner whose DUG number is recorded in the name of his father, being DUG number 171 and 202 at village Batipara, Jagigofa, under Boitamari Revenue Circle, Bongaigaon. What is the total award amount of for entire land and the Jirat?
Land I am
You are not interested.
No.
Or land you will not be paid.
no lordship.
Was paid lordship and he has-
Land compensation, the petitioner not informed me, but the Jirat compensation.
Then
there I
fraction
have
by
been
then.
given lordship.
The petitioner contends that insofar as the no, then you continue. Huh? The compensation for the land and the Jirat was assessed, and accordingly, the compensation for land was paid and accepted by the petitioner. Is it correct? You have accepted the land compensation?
Yes, lordship.
The authority has assessed the compensation for Jirat and other structures in favor of the petitioner for rupees 57,448. List of, according to the petitioner, the assessed amount of rupees 57,448 is only in respect of brick boundary wall, without making any assessment of the other properties, which the compensation would be rupees 24,44,000. This stuff. Next para. Being aggrieved of non-consideration of the petition, aggrieved of not assessing the entered properties for payment of the petitioner approached the respondent authorities by a representation dated 12/07/2021 and 21, particularly the Additional Deputy Commissioner Bongaigaon and the Deputy Commissioner Bongaigaon for assessment of the reassessment of the Jirat and provide adequate compensation in respect of the said land. The petitioner has also approached, you can also serve a legal notice to the legal notice to the respondent authorities for payment of adequate compensation in respect of the Jirat and other properties. Mr. However, no, however, this respond authorities have failed to consider the case of the petitioner. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, while referring to the documents annexed to the writ petition, submits that the petitioner is entitled to an amount of rupees 24,44,000 as a compensation for Jirat and other properties, which the respondent authorities has failed to assist. The only compensation, the only Jirat compensation assessed was only of brick boundary wall, ignoring the other properties. Therefore, he submits that the authorities may be directed to reassess the brick Jirat as well as other properties for fair adequate compensation. Mr. H. Browa, no, H. Sharma, learned counsel for the learned state counsel, while referring to the affidavit in the opposition filed by the petitioner, filed on behalf of respondent number 3, submits that the compensation for Jirat of the structure has been assessed as per the government rules as provided by the Department of Agriculture, Forest Department, and PWD within bracket B, bracket close. And accordingly, an amount of rupees 57,442 has been assessed in favor of the petitioner. Please. He submits that the compensation for Jirat of the structure has been rightly fixed at rupees 57,448 as there was only a brick boundary wall over the plot of land possessed by the petitioner. Therefore, the petitioner is not entitled for any other any Jirat oblique structure compensation except an amount of rupees 57,448. And it says the writ petition is liable to be dismissed. Entitled for so accept the rupees so and so list of. He submits that the petitioner has failed to that apart, he submits that apart from the above, the petitioner has been given the remedy as provided under the right to fair compensation so and so. Therefore, the present writ petition is liable to be dismissed. Consider the submissions of learned counsel for the parties and also and peruse the materials available on the court. Next paragraph. Admittedly, the land of the petitioner No, plot of land, no, petitioner. Recorded in the name of the father of the petitioner as Doug number 171 and 202 at village Batipara under Vetamari Revenue Circle, Bongaigaon, measuring about 6 big 4 kata 14 laces, was a requisition for expansion of proposed row for construction of ROW, for construction of external truck switch, same.
The word.
It is also admitted that the petitioner, it is also an admitted position that the petitioner has accepted the compensation for the land. Please stop. The only contention of the petitioner is to the, with regard to the compensation assessed by the respondent authorities for Jirat oblique structures over the land, which has been assessed at rupees 50, assessed for an amount of rupees 57,448. Next paragraph. It is stated at the bar the compensation which has been assessed is under the provisions of right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement of Settlement Act 2013. There is no requisition under this law.
It's acquisition. Land has already been acquired.
Then we'll say acquisition.
Lordship.
Please stop.
Requisition is only for a temporary purpose. Initially, requisition.
This is acquisition only. Wherever we said requisition, we said acquisition. Acquisition. Wherever I said requisition. The no, as per section 64 of the so and so right to fair compensation 13 Act, any person interested who has not accepted the award by written application to the collector may require that the matter be referred by the collector for the determination of the authority whether his objection be to the measurement of the land, the amount of compensation, the person to whom it is payable. List of such an application requires to be made by person interested within a period of 6 weeks if the person making it was present or represented before the collector at the time when he made his award, and in other cases within 6 weeks of the receipt of the notice from the collector. Is clearly submitted by the Land Council for the petitioner that no application has been made by the preferred by the petitioner for reference to the reference of the matter to the authority list of as the compensation has been assessed, as the land has been acquired, and no, and land has been acquired and compensation has been assessed. No, the land has been acquired and land is acquired and the compensation thereof has been assessed under the right to fair so and so 2013, the petitioner has an appropriate has an remedy under section 64 as he has not accepted the award in respect of the Jirat of the structure listed. However, the petitioner has failed to avail such remedy, and it would be difficult at this distant point of time to allow the petitioner to avail the remedy, as the provisions mandates with a particular time limit, a particular timeline, list of on consideration, the petitioner has not been able to show that there are other structures which has not been assessed by the respondent authorities for compensation, except by annexing certain documents which cannot be said to be proof of such claim of properties which has not been annexed, as this court would not be an appropriate, would not have an jurisdiction to decide as to whether the photographs annexed in the writ petition is actually an evidence or a proof of other structures, proof of structures which stated to have not been assessed by the respondent authorities. The assessment having been made on 10/02/2021 for the compensation on Jirat oblique structure of rupees 57,448, and the petitioner having not accepted the said compensation, he had an ample opportunities to avail the remedy, which he has not admittedly, the petitioner has admittedly missed at the opportune time Christoph does. Apart from not being able to establish the not been able to show the in support of to substantiate the structures which alleged to have not been assessed. The petitioner having not been able to remedy at the opportune time, at the appropriate time, as mandated under the provisions as noted here in above, comma. It would be difficult for this court to grant any relief by directing for reassessment, which has been done way back in the year 2021. In view of what has been discussed here in above, I want the considered view that no relief can be granted to the petitioner, as the petitioner has not availed the appropriate remedy at the appropriate time, and no materials is placed except some photographs, comma, to substantiate the claim of the petitioner of not having been assessed the Jirat oblique structure. List of accordingly writ petition stands dismissed, being devoid of merit. Okay.
Item number 11.
Yes, have you filed the affidavit? What is the matter?
Just regarding, they have sought for settlement or lordship.
Settlement of?
Allotment or lordship. They claim to be erosion hit victims, your lordship.
Last time also nobody appears.
Yes, your lordship. As per my affidavit, your lordship, it was filed.
Not appears for the petitioner on call. MS N. Bordole, Legislating Council Revenue Department submits that she has already filed. She has filed the affidavit in opposition, on behalf of?
On behalf of the Additional Deputy Commissioner.
On behalf of the respondent, You have served the copy.
Yes.
What to do? Second time.
On December 2024.
So what is your stand?
Lordship, there in paragraph number 3 in the affidavit, page 63.
You read it. You
Yes.
tell us.
It stated that as per the records available, your lordship, total number of families to be shifted from the Sipasa revenue circle is 2051. And for 1,943 numbers of families, the process of shifting has either been initiated or completed till date. So total of 109 families were left to be shifted. This was as per the affidavit, your lordship, December last year.
Hmm.
So 109 families were only left to be shifted.
Hmm.
And I think, Your Lordship, by now it's already been done.
So these 39% also includes the 13, there includes the 109. Are you saying so?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Are you sure?
The name has not been given in the instruction which I received, Your Lordship. But as per the telephonic instructions, Your Lordship, they are also included in the list, but the name is not there. Lordship, if grants me some more
They
time,
are also included.
as per the telephonic instruction, Lordship. If Lordship grants me some time, I'll just bring the
No,
names
in
also
that case,
list.
they might have, I mean, they might have been shifted. They want shift. They want that they should also be shifted along with 87%.
They wanted allotment, Your Lordship, as per the prayer, Your Lordship. They, as per the prayer, Lordship, they wanted allotment for the rehabilitation.
And about the position of the allotted land for rehabilitation was this landless river, it was 39. Which is out of 87% and or other places per earlier passed by verifying the original petitioner with earlier petitioners approach filing.
There is an order also, Your Lordship, with annexure 2.
Hmm. So according to you, these petitioners also include those persons who will be shifted.
By now,
Shifting means allotted. They will be allotted. Once they are shifted, they will be allotted the land.
no, Your Lordship, allotment is a different process, Your Lordship. That instruction needs to be brought on record, Your Lordship. Lordship, may kindly grant me some time, Your Lordship.
Fact of the case is, my lord, in this writ petition, earlier pursuant to some order from this honorable court, my lord, they are the lifted persons amongst other 199 person, my lord,
Hmm.
who has already, as per court order, land has been allotted to other persons, but they are lifted.
Hmm.
On the basis of the deputy commissioner's order passed in 1993, my lord, they are now pressing that allotment should also be given to them like the other persons.
Hmm.
That was the stand in their repetition, ma'am.
Hmm.
But instruction says from time to time, families are shifted. And initially that 93 order, Deputy Commissioner order person, which is passed by the Honorable Court, my lord, in pursuance to order 10/92, my lord. That is for a temporary period of 3 years. Is annexed to page 39 in this writ petition, ma'am. It is already annexed. So by that time, my lord, it is 22. They have filed that, as they have not getting that allotment, my lord,
Yes.
like the other person, so they are before number 4.
Yes.
By that time, after 22, my lord, they might have got settlement also, my lord, for that temporary.
That's why they are not. We'll see. We'll dismiss the petition. Let them come back. Or should we? Can you take instruction whether this has been their prayer has been? I mean, the grievance has been redressed or not?
Initially, they are from Sipajhar circle to there have been and has been allotted different circles, my lord. Dongaon and Mongaldo. So time to time, my lord, persons are shifted. So by in that process, they might got that allotment.
Yes,
also.
Take the instruction.
Yes, only one.
These 39. Yes, now these are 39%. I mean, petitioners.
Yes, yes. They may have, Your Lordship.
Can you obtain instruction by Friday? Friday.
Shifted.
If they have been done it, if the grievance has been redressed to unnecessary, maybe because of that they are not appearing. You just over the telephone.
Friday, Your Lordship, can it be on Monday, Your Lordship?
Monday, huh?
Today's Wednesday.
Yes. On the prayer of no, let this matter be listed on Monday.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And so, on the next date, learned counsel for the respondents, MSN Bordoloy, and
Same instructions.
who will take the instruction? You will take the.
We sought from the DC officer.
So we'll take that. Who want to take the burden? Then we'll say on the next date, MS so and so, Burman.
Yes.
M. Burman, learned counsel, state council to obtain instruction as to whether the relief sought for in this petition has been redressed. The grievance raised in this petition has been redressed by the responding authorities. This on Monday, huh? That.
Oh, that's right. May I please, your lordship?
Yes,
I am on behalf of HR Chaudhary. Your lordship, in this case, the client has taken back the brief and NOC is also given to him. Kindly delete the name of HR Chaudhary.
we're not deleting it. And then where is the proof?
Your lordship,
What is that?
your lordship, I don't have such NOC notice.
Anyway, MSU Land Council for the Land Council submits that the brief has been returned to the petitioners along with the NOC. Mr. So are present.
For respondent number 2, 3, and 4.
Next para. Although none appears for the petitioner in the interest of justice, let this in view of the submission that in view of the submission of the Land Council MSO and so let this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
Vacation, lordship,
4 weeks. Let's finish this thing. Submission. Yes.
Hearing this matter, your lordship, the respondent was supposed to file counter affidavit pursuant to the last order. So,
Yes.
yes, my lord, they have received instruction, my lord.
You want some them? You want some them to file affidavit?
My lord,
What is the matter?
if required, we will file. Otherwise, the petitioner has no case. Only on apprehension, he has filed this.
Yes. So
Your
what is your
lordship,
prayer? What is your prayer?
Instruction. You can let them file the affidavit.
What is your prayer? Tell us. What do you want? We'll grant you whatever you ask.
Lordship, the leading counsel is in lakhs in lordship. I'm appearing on his behalf.
You file affidavit.
Yes, Lord.
Heard Mr. So-and-so Land Council for the petitioner. Mr. So-and-so Land Council for respondent is granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit in office.
4 weeks.
4 weeks. Huh.
Obvious. I don't put in.
This writ petition has been restored after dismissed non-prosecution.
So, may I please your lordship, the matter may be passed over for a time being, as my senior is lagging behind in court number 19, dear lordship.
We have filed affidavit, my lord, let it be fixed for admission hearing.
It's admission hearing only.
Because after restoration, it has filed placed before lordship today, my lord.
This is listed for admission only.
Yes. We have
On the
filed
prayer of
affidavit.
Mr. So-and-so Land Council for petition and not being and the prayer not being objected to by MS So-and-so Land Council for response. List this matter 4 weeks. 4 weeks. Urgency is there. You don't know anything.
No supplies.
Yes.
At the previous order dated 1925.
The big grant and terms in two place on requires 2 reasons why the name were deleted from list of beneficiaries prepared by Gram Sabha. Yes.
Because they
J. Hendik.
for another scheme. We have received instruction. This is a bit long instruction. We will file affidavit.
Why his name has been deleted?
4 petitioners, they are the.
Why they have their names have been deleted?
On the one of this, there are 4 people, widow. All are widow are there also as per
Okay,
guideline, they are-
heard Mr. So-and-so Land Council for Deputy. Mr. G. Bakule Land Council for the Land State Council submits that he may be granted some time to file affidavit as he has, as the instruction received is required to be brought on record. Praise the Lord, this after 4 weeks.
It's a date here, difficult to list here, 23 matter not.
No, this will be listed. Don't worry.
Item 16.
Publish.
Yes.
The information has been provided to him, madam. We have received instruction. ITI information regarding.
What is there?
Second flag, madam.
Huh?
Second flag. He have received, he have acknowledged the receipt.
Second flag.
Second flag.
Regarding report for information on our adoption, with reference subjects that has been on the I'm to inform the the required documents to the applicant as job for by the resolution mentioned under. Yes.
Yes, Lordship, I have information, Lordship. They have received.
Why this has been filed? Why the writ petition has been filed?
After filing the.
After filing the petition, Lordship, they have filed.
No, why you have filed a writ petition?
Lordship,
For seeking some information, madam.
for information, Lordship, RTA.
Who has to file? Against whom? There is no appeal provision.
Lordship,
They have also filed appeal.
Exhausted everything.
Exhausted everything.
Okay. On the prayer of, no, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that, it's become infructuous.
Infructuous, my lord.
Submits the writ petition has become infructuous. This writ petition has become infructuous. Mr. So-and-so, accepting the prayer, accept the submission that the writ petition has become infructuous by placing the copy of the information, copy of the letter to furnishing information which has been accepted according to writ petition stands closed, disposed of as in process.
Item 17.
My lord, this case, my lord, in as per the order 24/3/2025, Lordship has issued my lord, there is a issue, my lord, regarding the maintainability of this case under my lord, Article 226, my lord. Although it is maintainable under 227 as a civil division, my lord, because this is the order has been challenged, passed by the special tribunal, it is constituted for the Land Grabbing Act. So there is a provision under the section 14 of the same act that one appellate court should be constituted, but that is not constituted. So in view of the order, same coordinate bench, that is been passed, by which this has been converted to the civil division under Article 227. So my the litigation, it is under 226 as well as 227 also. So my lordship maybe in considering this aspect, they may be converted to civil division under 227, my lord.
No, convenience maybe not legal. Convenience, if it is 227, it has to be as a civil revision petition.
227. So my lord, the provision is I have mentioning it 226 as well as 227 also. So my lord, in that case, they only preferred under 226, but in my case, my lord, for better sake of my lord,
it's a similar.
It's similar, my lord, same land giving case, my lord. They came against the land giving tribunal order was passed.
Who is appearing for the respondent?
Respondent, my lord, earlier occasion there is a letter, two respondents were added, my lord, the respondent number 4 and 5. In earlier occasion, Mr. Tawilder and Mr. M. Tawilder appeared, my lord, in last occasion.
The state respondents.
It is my lord 4 and 5, my lord, respondent, and others are my lord the respondents 1, 2, and 3 are appeared by.
Yes, heard Mr. P. Mahandra, learned counsel for the petitioner. Not appears for the respondents.
And what of 4 and 5, my lord?
Then why keeping silent?
My lord, subsequently implemented, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for state council.
No, my lord.
Secondly,
Learned counsel for the elementary standing council.
Standing council.
Elementary education department. What he said, have you understood?
My lord,
Have you heard?
my lord.
Then what do you say?
I am not going to contradict my lord order, my lord. Just now, yes, my lord.
Who submits that? He may be granted some time to go through the order passed by this court. Judgment and order, huh? Judgment and order passed by this court dated 27/02/2024 in WPC 558 of 2020. Accordingly, did this matter after 3 weeks. Let him go through.
I want to point out one thing, my lord. In last occasion, on
It's okay.
24/1, they take time for filing the affidavit. So, my lord,
No,
you can-
first we'll convert it, we'll see.
you convert, but by this time they can file the affidavit also, my lord.
It's okay.
Obliged.
Please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this is a petition for giving a direction to the government for acquiring my land. Government means, Lordship, 2 and respondent number 2 and 5. It is the Water Resource Department which has actually used my land for the purpose of raising a dike in Japora Gaon ward of Dibrugarh district to save the village from Brahmaputra flood. Now what happens, Lordship? There were initially a dike subsequently which has been actually developed. At the time of
I think it will take time.
construction of the dike,
Pleadings are complete.
Lots of pleadings have been completed.
We'll list it for hearing. It will take time.
Lordship,
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. So-and-so,
RM Das.
RM Das for
Water Resource Department.
And thus for
standing counsel, and
thus.
Das for state council and revenue, all.
Lordship,
Uh,
one more
The-
thing, Lordship. The petitioner before your Lordship is actually
Rule-
suffering.
Rule issued, petition admitted for hearing, since all the respondents are represented, no formal notice required to be issued.
Lordship.
List after 4 weeks.
I have a small prayer. Lordship, after 4 weeks. Okay. Item 22.
Little past. Yes,
Already over.
but it
Lordship.
has become infructuous.
Now, Lordship, what is happening is that, though it has become infructuous, they have made a specific allegation in their counter affidavit.
What?
They have made specific allegations in the counter affidavit that we have fraud with the signatures, and he has not.
No, why is it become infructuous?
Settlement period is already over.
The settlement period is already over.
So matter ends there.
Lordship,
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel, but allegation is okay, it goes merged along with the disposal of the.
We want to file a fresh writ petition for compensation because they have illegally not.
No,
petition-
compensation we cannot. You will have to approach the civil court. You file, we'll stop that. You approach the court, appropriate forum. All right. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel, no, heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for petitioner, and MS, learned counsel for. You are also, who else are there? Then so-and-so, 4 respondents. It is submitted at the bar that writ petition has become infructuous. Right?
Yes.
Mr. Accordingly, writ petition stands closed on it as infructuous. That's all.
Obvious.
That's 23 and 24.
Lordship, in item 23,
Hmm.
I am the petitioner.
Ah.
relates to the same issue, and in item 24,
I'm the
other side is the petitioner.
Ah.
So that is the insurance company, I am the beneficiary.
Ah.
Now, Lordship, what happened? Certain documents are there in item 23 and certain documents are there in item 24.
Ah.
So there will be a confusion. So I will file a precise booklet so that it can be heard
Okay.
immediately after vacation, because there is urgency also in this.
Uh,
Today, while preparing, I have
Mr.
noticed
You would like to file composite?
composite one the booklet means composite written composite documents I will file because documents are scattered in both the cases.
No.
By way of an affidavit.
Affidavit?
Yes, because then I can explain the
No,
documents.
Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner submits that in view of the various documents in both this writ petition, he may be granted time to file a composite affidavit to bring on all the documents in seriatim.
Yes.
For proper seriatim, please. Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for WPC, learned counsel in WPC, learned counsel petitioner in WPC 667.
Yes, sir.
667.
I'm in 66, the 6677.
6677 2023. Agreed to the same list accordingly. Let this matter be listed
Immediately after vacation, Lordship, a date may be fixed because
after 4 weeks on.
Lordship,
You just give that on
can it be a bit earlier?
27.
Can it be a bit earlier because I'm facing the interest also in against the
Just 22nd October. Yes.
25.
25 is lordship, I'm for appearing for the respondent number 2 and 3. The writ petition is not maintainable, my lord, because if the petitioner is aggrieved, my lord, he should have got to the before the district judge to file an application.
Nobody is here. What to do?
And
Chutia, the Chutia, learned counsel for the petitioner. It's Chutia or Chutia?
Chutia, my lord.
Chutia. Same thing. It sounds the same. No one appears for the
I
petitioner.
think petitioner counsel is
Mr. So-and-so and learned senior counsel and so are present. In the interest of justice, let this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
6.
We'll hear them and we'll pass the order.
a date may be given, my lord.
After 4 weeks.
4 weeks date, no. Date given.
Why you are interested?
My lord.
Yes, PWD. PWD. Have you filed the affidavit?
PW is supposed to file affidavit, but
No affidavit.
I have not received any copy.
Who is this? Who is the Mr. B. Chaudhary?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner.
The matter waiting since January, my lord.
Although Mr. B. Chaudhary learned standing counsel PWD on 27/08/2025. Undertakes to file the affidavit. Has undertaken to file the affidavit on or before 15/09/2025. No affidavit is been filed. This be that please stop. In way of Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel, affidavit is granted. Allows students to file the affidavit in office. Last chance.
It can be
Last chance. Just inform B. Chaudhary. After 2 weeks.
I don't know, 27.
Express Private Limited.
May it please the Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, here in this case, a vehicle belonging to the petitioner, my lord, was, my lord,
Directed to furnish.
seized, and thereafter, my lord, the goods were released on payment of the admitted duty and penalty, my lord.
Yes.
Now, as per the provisions of section 129(3), my lord, from the date of 7 days from the date of issuance of so-called notice, demand order is to be passed. Now, my lord, that period is over, nothing has been done. So now, my lord, now I can't even file an appeal. So, my lord, this money should be refunded to us. If your lordship would kindly have the provision of section 129(3), my lord. My lord, I think a copy has been given.
Who is appearing for the respondent?
Mr. Gogoi, my lord, B. Gogoi.
B. Gogoi.
The proper officer detaining or seizing goods or conveyance shall issue a show cause notice within 7 days of such detention or service seizure, specify the penalty payable, and thereafter pass an order within a period of 7 days from the date of service of such notice for payment of penalty under clause A or clause B of subsection 1. So, my lord, within show cause notice was issued on 10/11/23. But, my lord, it has not been followed up with any demand order or anything.
So problem is the other side is not
Yes.
there. What can we do?
No, can we have it?
Some other day.
Day after tomorrow, Friday.
That will be my last session for
Okay.
this. After 2 weeks. Mr. Ken Chodri, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by so-and-so, is present. However, Mr. Non-appears for the respondents. This is by whom?
By the GST authority, state GST.
Okay, okay. In view of the above, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we'll say 3 weeks.
I think it's 32 and 33.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
This matter I am appearing in item number 33. Lordship, kindly turn to order dated 10/1/2025.
10-1.
Yes, sir.
Who is for 32? Yes. Is this analogous?
No. They are supposed to file affidavit.
Hmm.
Affidavit not filed.
Huh? Since there is an interim order, to the benefit of insurance shall also be enforced in so and so. Both these matter will list. Listed after 3 weeks to enably respond. Complete the instruction and file their affidavit. Yes.
Yes, sir, we are waiting for instruction matter. Some time may be required, madam.
Heard so and so, huh?
Interim order kindly make one.
Both the parties, huh?
Interim order shall continue.
Name them then. On the prayer of Mr.
M. Fitya, madam.
Land Council, State Council.
Yes, madam.
For the 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in office. Interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Hello.
Item 34.
In this case, I am only for my lord 5 and 6, my lord, respondent number. Only for 5 and 6.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, item number 34 may be taken at 2
Huh?
p.m. Lordship. Lordship, it may be taken at 2 p.m.
Nagaon District Bar, what do you want?
Lordship, the arguing council is at another court, Lordship.
What do you want?
Lordship at 2 p.m. Lordship.
What do we want? What is the matter?
Lordship, it's regarding.
Seeking allotment of petition approach this court. Huh?
Lordship, let the arguing council come, Lordship. Lordship at 2 p.m.
Who was requested to appear in the yes, sir. What is the way out?
Way out, my lord, government can reply because, my lord, they applied. This is, my lord, this is not the regular bar, my lord. That original bar was old one. This is new bar.
Okay.
New bar. Probably, my lord, their allotment prayer was rejected.
So it's up to the government. Who is the government?
Yes, lordship, I am agreeing.
Can you?
Lord.
Can you spare land for these people? These bar association? You have filed the affidavit.
We have not filed, lordship, but
You file affidavit.
I can show it from the document they have.
No, it's okay. You file it whether you can, they are asking for allotment only.
Yes, Lordship, as because
Nothing
that
else.
only, if your Lordship go by the notice at page 48, Lordship may kindly, page 48.
Lordship,
the writ
can I
petition.
request Lordship, let the arguing counsel come.
No, it's okay, we'll see. Are you not the counsel?
Lordship, I am, but actually.
Then-
Lordship,
then-
he is the arguing counsel in the previous with him, Lordship.
Page
We'll make
48.
you a arguing counsel today. You be the arguing counsel today. Page 48.
Page 48.
Lordship, the interim order that we are challenging at page.
There is the petitioner, President Naga Bar Association, requesting recommendation. Let's say within the premises.
Third paragraph, Lordship. Whereas there is already one bar association in the district of Nagaon established in 1839, and a plot of land measuring 1 katha 10 lesser is already reserved in the name of the bar association covered by tag number so and so, Nagaon town, Kishamandar, Nagaon. Also, a total area of 11 bighas 4 kathas 10.50 lessers is reserved in the name of the Kasarighar, that is the court at tag number so and so at Nagaon town so and so, so and so. Out of this, 3 bighas 16 lesser is in the possession of the judicial department. So, Lordship, there is already an existent
Yes,
bar
and
association.
this,
Lordship,
this,
tomorrow there is another.
if it is allotted, this will create a problem.
No, Lordship.
Are you not a member of this bar association,
No,
district bar association?
no, he is not a member of the district bar. That
Huh?
association, he is not a member of that part institution.
These petitioners.
Yes.
Tomorrow there is.
Why you need to have a separate bar association?
Lordship may kindly go through the, this is the latest update where
But-
we were given a place for making a shed by the Deputy Commissioner Nagaon recently. But we were being asked to remove by the ADC. on-
Intimation regarding removal of temporary state of notice, huh?
Let them bring it by way of an additional affidavit, Lordship, otherwise it is not within.
You bring it.
Yes, I will bring it into.
No, bar should be united. It should be one bar. Why you should
No,
be?
Lordship,
It's not a political party.
Tomorrow there will be
Like
another.
you are depicting from the political party.
Between the president of this bar and the other bar. There is
Bar has to have some association has to some sanctity other than the political parties.
Lordship, I will.
Yes.
File an additional affidavit.
On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, 2 weeks time is granted, no, 2 weeks time is granted to file additional affidavit. In the meantime, the state respondents may file their affidavit. You also file.
After getting that, Lordship, that will be easier.
It's okay. You file, if they file, you take it back.
Even the.
Yes, next.
All.
Malegar Gobindapur Fishery.
This case, our affidavit is ready, my lord. Matter may take immediately after vacation.
Yes. Sure.
My lord, there is,
If it's ready, next week, you take it up.
Yes.
Next week. Or Mr. Didas, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. Escom, Learned Counsel for the petition. MS,
SUT, my lord.
SUT, Learned State Counsel,
Fishery department, my lord.
Revenue, oh, sorry,
Fishery.
Standing Council,
Standing counsel.
Standing Fishery Department submits that the affidavit is ready, which would be, which is ready, and the same shall be filed within
In a week.
within a week.
Hello, you kindly see the order of 25/6/2025. See the order of 25/6.
Yes. Considering disciplinary which is for any decision taken or expired shall be registered. Yes.
They
Said
have-
within 1 week you take it
Yes,
after.
what has happened, my lord, fishery settlement was given, but they are not handing over the possession to us.
Okay.
So I paid 11 lakhs as a kist money to the.
Okay, after 1 week we'll take it out.
Yes,
We'll find.
only if it is can be
In B-
reflected, if it is not inconvenient.
No, no, in B of the above,
Next week, my lordship can just.
let this matter be listed after a week. On, yes, give the date, there's urgency.
No, it's okay.
Fine.
Clear.
Item 36.
This matter, my lord, we have received instruction, we will file an application. my lord.
At MS Arbor Land Council for the petitioner. For the 3 weeks time is granted to the learned council, standing council, industries and commerce.
Yes, my lord.
Huh?
Yes,
Not, yes, my lord.
You're standing counsel.
Not standing counsel, my lord. Now government is looking at.
No, learned counsel for the, Mr. S. Chutia, learned counsel for the,
M. Setia, my lord.
M. Setia, learned counsel for the respondents. Next.
Number 38. Okay.
Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in this matter, the respondent number 2 was supposed to file.
Yes.
Respondent number 3 has already filed deputy commissioner, my lord.
No.
Excise has to file the affidavit.
Yes, who is excise? Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of who is excise? Prayer of so-and-so. Why you are not filing? Last occasion you have.
Affidavit for vetting. We'll file it tomorrow.
Mr. Students R.R. Govil, learned counsel, standing counsel, excise department submits that you will be filing the affidavit within 2 days. Mr. Babu, let this matter be listed after
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yes.
2 weeks.
Yes, Lord. Publish. Right, Lord.
Bank.
Let's see. So the orders dated 26/3 and 13/8, my lord, the private.
You have not appeared last occasion.
My lord, yes.
Huh.
My lord,
So,
the private respondents were on 2 occasions given last chance to file affidavit, my lord. They have not filed anything, my lord. Their right may be closed, my lord, and this matter may be taken up for admission.
are you for the private respondent?
Respondent number 3. Respondent number 4 is on leg. Respondent number 4.
You are private respondent.
Yes, private respondent number.
You don't want to file affidavit.
No, my client is not available to file. He's in
Okay,
hospital.
what about respondent number
Respondent number 4.
They're all represented, my lord, but today I think
4?
He's on leg.
he's on legs in
Another
You can take it up at 2 perhaps.
What is there for that? Why I should take it up?
Lordship will fix
We'll
it.
grant them sometime again.
This would be the third opportunity. There are 2 times.
Last chance we will give them. If they, I mean, if advise, if so advise, if they want to file, we'll just grant them sometime.
Then Lordship will fix a date for admission hearing.
Huh?
Lordship may
After
fix the date.
vacation only.
Yes, after. Actually, any date.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the police. And Mr.
D. Majumdar, on
D.
respondent
Majumdar.
number 3.
For respondent number 3. On the prayer of learned counsel for the respondent number 2 and 3. Further, 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit as the last chance. We'll just say,
Date will be fixed after.
we just give the after the
Publish.
call. Awesome.
Followers. Item number 39.
Next figure, Lordship.
Yes.
In terms of the order dated matter, 18/6/2025, passed in IA number 157/2025, I filed the amended post title matter. I filed the amended post title matter. Now, notice need to be got the newly implemented respondent number matter 6, 7, and 8 matter.
It is due to inadvertence, you could not furnish the amended cost title.
Yes, I have furnished matter.
Hmm.
Has been furnished.
So,
Now, matter newly implemented respondent are there, matter 6, 7, and 8 matter. Now, notice need to be got to them matter.
okay. Has it been incorporated?
Yes, my lord.
Has been received as per honorable submission legal. Okay. And the Mr. R.S. Mr. Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice, and since the respondent 6, 7, and 8 have been implemented, notice be issued to the respondent number 6, newly implemented respondent 6, 7, and 8. You have to take steps.
My lord, take.
Petitioners to take steps for service of notice of newly implemented respondent number 7. Within 1 week,
Yes, my lord.
just after 4 weeks.
My bad, I still post my.
It's as usual.
Much pleasure.
Item number 40. May it please your lordship.
Yes.
We have sought for instructions, my lord. We have not received the same. Corporation department.
Let the instruction.
You have furnished the copy. Heard, Mr.
MH Loss.
MH Learned Counsel for the case. On the prayer of Mr.
K.A. Sodial on behalf of SK Talukar.
Huh?
K.A. Sodial.
K.S.
Sodial.
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 Sodium.
Sodial.
Sodial. L.
Sodial. You're for
Or for on behalf of SK Talukar, standing counsel.
appearing on behalf of Mr. S.K. Talukar, Learned Standing Counsel Corporation Department for that 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Okay.
Obliged.
Item 42.
As per office to dated 15/9/2025, service on respondent number 4 is complete.
Instruction has been received. Mr. Esborizal has let a matter be taken after some time.
It may be list.
Notice has been issued upon on Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the Parent. Affidavit showing the proof of service of notice through dusty mode is filed. Mr. Perusal of the affidavit indicates that the respondent number 4 has duly received and it has duly been served with the duly been served accordingly the service is complete.
Yes.
Huh? On the prayer of
Interim order passed.
on the prayer of Miss so-and-so, Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of
Mr. Esbora for GMDA.
Esbora, Learned Standing Counsel GMD. For the 3 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction, to place the instruction.
Instruction has been received.
To place the instruction. Huh?
Interim
order passed, earlier shall continue.
Item 44.
42 and 43. Adjourn হয়েছিল। আচ্ছা। Adjourn.
Matter may be taken after some time.
Why? What is the matter? Why this date today?
Well, this is a contempt petition. The affidavit has also been filed. This can be disposed of. We have performed awarded contracts for cleaning and desiltation of drains in Guwahati. There were altogether 71 packages. There was various petitioners.
So whether there is a complaint or not?
No, they have not yet complied. In fact, similarly situated persons have been paid, my lords. There were other writ petitions. They have been paid. We have not been paid, my lords, as of yet.
No, then how can it be disposed of?
In similar, another contempt petition, in the writ petition, the order was passed in a joint way in 2 writ petitions. In the other writ petition, an order has been passed in the contempt.
What they are saying?
The order was passed that.
No, what they are saying. In affidavit, what they are saying?
In affidavit, they are saying that they are taking up the process. Some of the petitioners have been paid, but and
well, after some time, call.
Item number 46.
In item 46, Lordship, they are praying for a demarcation. And demarcation. এখন দিবস।
Yes, why? No, this is listed for what? Today?
The respondents have appeared, no, sir.
Affidavit is fine.
Order for that.
You have sought for time. to take obtain instruction as regard the opposition of affidavit of opposition filed by respondent number 8 and 30. Pleadings are complete.
Lordship, we have not, we have been directed to obtain instructions, Lordship, regarding the demarcation. It could not be carried out as because they do not have any position over the state plot of land.
Huh?
They do not have any position over the state plot of land. This is the report of the circle officer I am placing in before Lordship. So to establish their position, they have to approach the civil court. This is not the appropriate forum, Lordship.
You are not in possession.
Yes, my lord.
Are you not in possession?
No, my lord, actually there is a vast plot of land, my lord. Some portion of land.
We don't know.
Some
They
portion-
are saying that you are not in possession, and the patterners and possessors of these dogs are objecting the demarcation because you are not there.
My lord, here, my
You
lord.
file an affidavit, we'll see.
Lordship.
And Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. H. Sharma, learned state counsel, for the 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit. You take this.
Lordship.
On the basis of this, you
Lordship. Small affidavit, Lordship will find.
you may raise that issue also.
Lordship.
In view of this, may not be maintainable.
Lordship.
Yes.
Number 47.
Lordship, Lordship, in this matter, we have not been served with copies of the writ petition.
So who are you?
I'm appearing on behalf of Standing Counsel for Corporation Department, respondents number 1 to 6.
You are for 7.
1 to 6, respondents.
Who is 7? Who is respondent number 7? Who is respondent number 7? You don't know. Secretary Madhusul Mare. What is the issue? What is the issue?
Just know that it's a writ petition.
Huh?
Lordship, we have not received the copies, actually, the copies of the writ petition.
None appears for the petitioner on call. MS So-and-so learned counsel appearing on behalf of
Mr. G. Portoloy,
G. Bodole
for
learned
Standing Counsel for the Corporation Department.
Corporation submits that no copy of the writ petition has been served with the respondent number 1 to 4, 1 to 6. List of it is next paragraph. Notice that the it is no, as per office note, it is 0708/2025 reflects that you say not as per office note dated 0708/2025, not 07, sorry. 10/2025 indicates that despite granting three times, granting several times, the petitioner has failed to take steps for the service of notice upon respondent number 7. List of in view of above, writ petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution. No, in having considered above, the petitioner appears to be not interested to pursue the matter any longer, huh? Accordingly, writ petition is still dismissed for non-prosecution. Hmm?
Item number 48.
Hmm.
Lordship, I think for drawing presumption,
Hmm?
Lordship may kindly peruse 11-9 order by the Lordship.
1009.
Yes.
Non appears for the petitioner. Neither petitioner is represented, sorry, huh? No steps appears to have been taken as per the office note dated 10/09/2025. In the interest of justice, further 2 weeks time is granted to take steps. This after 4 weeks.
Item 49.
Please, Lordships. This case, my lord, as per office note dated, my lord, 11/9/2025, my lord, the service of the respondent number 7 is completed.
Heard Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Endas. Learned State Council. Standing Council.
State Council.
State Council.
456.
Mr. Correspondent 456. Next one. Service is completed. List for admission hearing
Immediately after the petition date.
after 4 weeks.
Public.
Yes.
As regarding service of private respondent, as per Lozima court order dated 9/9/2025, it is completed, madam.
In view of the order of Lauzima Court dated 09/09/2020, service is complete. List for admission hearing after 4 weeks.
Yes, please. Madam, so far the restitution is concerned, madam, prayer, madam, there is the order, Lordship may kindly see 1/10/2024. So by this order, this honorable court was, madam, granted interim order not to shift the rice mill, madam. And in the meantime, my lord, he's applied for the pollution certificate, madam, that was already obtained.
So
Deputy Commissioner may first necessary order.
Huh?
Madam, the Deputy Commissioner by impine order, Deputy Commissioner, madam, directed to shift the rice mill, madam, other place because I could not able to obtain the pollution certificate. And in the meantime, I also applied the pollution certificate. That certificate already, my lord, I obtained, madam.
You place before the deputy commissioner. What's there? So we'll close it.
Not today, my lord.
Yes. Next.
Item 52.
Yes. Although office note dated 10/9/2025 indicates that ID card has been returned back from respondent number 2. Non appears for the parties. List after 4 weeks.
Maybe Lordship. I'm sorry for that. Item number 48, Your Lordship. Have come from old building, Your Lordship.
So,
Your Lordship, 2 weeks time may be given. I'll take step, Your Lordship.
which one?
48 item, 48.
We have dismissed it.
Lordship.
Okay, 48. Yes, I think we have granted.
Oblige, Your
Yeah.
Lordship. Oblige.
2 weeks we have granted. This will be listed after 4 weeks.
Lordship,
You
oblige.
steps within 4 weeks,
Yeah,
2
so I'll
weeks.
take step.
Madam, will be free.
Same order. Is 53. 52, huh?
Item number 58.
Yes.
By earlier order, I was granted 15 days back, deposit 50 lakhs.
Yes.
These 15 days time, 4 days were holidays, madam. And now I have put together the money, at least 7 days time may be extended.
That may be extended, but Lordship, there is an interim order, Lordship.
What interim order?
That within 15 days, they have directed to pay the amount.
No, that's why I'm saying. That's why they are seeking extension.
Yes. But that.
Well, extending it for 7 days, no, and no further, huh?
Lordship. And
Heard
the
Mr.
interim
D. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr.
order,
M.M. Jaman, learned counsel for the respondents.
Lordship.
Opposite party.
Hold.
The applicant and opposite party and Mr. Sen is for applicant, huh? And so. For respondents, opposite party respondents.
Yes, 3 and
Who is the petitioner here?
petitioner, Lordship.
Okay. This is an application praying for extension of time of 15 days.
Extension of time, 7 days, Lordship.
Extension of time for 7 days. For what? To do deposit?
Yes.
Huh?
Depositing the amount, as I'll.
To deposit the amount of what?
50 lakhs. In the order itself.
Where it is? Where is the order?
29.
You have not annexed the order.
29/8/25.
Where you have stated. You have not annexed the order.
I'm sorry. In paragraph 3, paragraph 3 of this petition.
Deposit rupees 50 lakhs. Deducting the amount. After deducting the amount already paid within 15 days. With effect from 29/08/2025. List of Mr. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that despite best effort, the applicant could not deposit the amount as directed by this code. In view of the fact that the petition applicant could not collect the entire amount. Due to unavoidable circumstances, he submits that by now the applicant has collected the entire amount, which shall be deposited within 7 days.
Otherwise, the interim order automatically affected.
It is within 7 days. List of the next matter, having therefore press for extension of 7 days time to deposit the aforesaid amount as directed by this court on 29/09/2025. Mr. Having considered the submission, considered be the prayer for seeking 7 days time. No, not be, huh? I find that the prayer for extensions of 7 days time to deposit the amount of rupees 50 lakhs by deducting, that's I said, no, deducting the, after deducting the amount already deposit paid. Is reasonable, Mr. Accordingly. As time is granted today. No, not for that. Accordingly, 7-day time is sought for is granted. Is allowed, huh? Is granted to the applicant to deposit the amount of rupees 50 lakhs minus the amount already paid. Mr. That's all. Okay. Highest things allowed and disposed of. That's it.
Nancy, item 44.
Matter is going on at court 10. As far he's on legs at court 10. He's going on.
This will be taken up tomorrow then.
Next week, in that case. Next week.
Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, if it is possible, this contempt has been pending since 23. The order was.
So according to you, the similarly situated persons have been paid.
Yes, they have been paid. In
I think
fact,
he has
their affidavit shows that.
instructions.
Huh?
In this case, he has received instruction
Saying what?
that he can only sit there.
Bring the instruction. Bring the instruction.
For hearing, Lordship, in item number 51, our name may be reflected in the cause. Otherwise, it's very difficult, Lordship. 58, Lordship.
58. We have not taken up the writ petition. We'll see. We'll pass that
Lord.
in an appropriate time.
Item 54 for hearing.
Ismotara Begum. Yes.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes. Do you have the instruction? Records.
We have been directed to obtain the
Records.
We have received the records. Thereafter, Lordship, the relevant portion we have made photocopy, Lordship. I can place it before Lordship.
Yes. What is the matter?
Matter relating to Lordship allotment of some portion of land, Lordship. The present petitioner, Lordship, they are the landless people and the river eroded. My Lord, after a due following due procedure, Lordship, the land, Lordship, occupied by the petitioner have been allotted in their favor. Lordship on 23/11/2015. And after 2.5 months, Lordship, that allotment, Lordship, order has been cancelled. And the land has been given in the name of a private school.
Yes.
Against that, Lordship.
In favor of you?
Yeah. My Lord, page 16, your Lordship will find the allotment and land advisory committee notes.
16.
16. And relevant, Lordship, our part, Lordship, will come at page, Lordship, 621.
This is by.
My Lord, this is the land advisory committee meeting, my notes.
Different
Regarding
subjects
lordship-
cited, sorry. Minus of the subject
Your lordship,
subdivision.
see, page 16.
Hmm.
The meeting was presided over by so-and-so ACS SDO South Salmora Mankasar, Subdivision Harshigimari Chairman, Subdivisional.
Subdivision Land Advisory
Advisory
Committee
Committee.
meeting held on.
The discussion, the meeting unanimous.
Yes.
Resolved.
So where you have been allotted?
Yes, lordship, page 21. Our part would come at serial number 48.
This is of which district?
In South Salmara Mankasar.
Okay. Page
16. At that time, lordship, it was under the.
No, I have seen it. Page 21.
21, serial number 48.
8. Yes, allotment.
Allotment proposal of total land, government land measuring 1 kata 10 lesa under Dag number 441, 64 part in the revenue village. So and so in favor of-
Sultana Lovely Begum.
She is petitioner number 2.
And
And Ismutara Begum, so and so, is approved.
this is just an approval.
Yes, this is the approval.
It's not an allotment. Yes, then
And page lordship 22. Another subdivisional level lordship committee was held just after 2.5 months. That is on 6/2/2016. And your lordship will find at serial number 3.
individual land allotment proposal
Individual
approved in
land
agency meeting
Last agency meeting, Mankasar so and so, on 23/11/2015 under Mankasar Circle, right, resolution number so and so, including lordship last serial number 48.
It's not only your case.
Yes.
So many
So many.
are cancelled for no position, no landless, sort of other related documents,
Yeah.
etc. over the plot of
Right, letter so and so, all the better relates to individual land.
related individual land will be taken up in the next SLC. Yes.
No. In the lordship, the serial number 5, your lordship will come again.
Huh?
Serial number 5, that land has been allotted, lordship, serial number 48.
Allotment proposal of government land measure
So and so, revenue will so and so in favor of Rainbow English Academy, Academy Harshingmari is approved. This is the land pertaining to the lordship present petitioner.
Five, serial number 5 or 4?
Serial number 5.
It's not only your isolated case. Everyone's case has been reconsidered.
No.
And there
Yes,
is
our case part has been lordship isolated.
the allotment of government land measurement to be governed by it's not Hathi Singh Mare, Mankesar Rebellion in favor of Makuma Press Council is approved. They are not, you are not concerned.
Lordship, we are not concerned on that.
You are concerned about 3 and 4,
48.
3 and 5.
48 and lordship.
Yes, 3 and 5.
Allotment proposal of government land measuring.
Yes, 3 and 5. Yes.
Under revenue, Mankasar Revenue Circle in favor of Rainbow Academy School is approved. That area of
Your
land-
cancellation and that is still number 3 and 5.
cancellation is 3.
That's why I'm saying you are against this
48.
3 and 5. Serial number 3 and 5. Cancellation and
yes,
allotment. Yes.
Lordship.
Then
And after lordship challenging this lordship, the present reputation.
staying on what ground?
Not, we are the landless people lordship, and after due consider
That will be considered.
verification.
They say that will be considered.
No, because that land has already
But
been
they got
considered.
respondent
That
number
was-
4, the which was approved, so was cancelled in this and the same plot of land was allotted in Paraswan. It was also the only individual land would be taken up in the next LLC.
Next as SDC,
However, full report was conducted. Report was submitted on the present state of land.
but so far 48 is concerned, that has been allotted again in favor of the school.
So you will consider.
No. Our case cannot be considered because our land has already been allotted.
You will be considered in sport some other land.
Our part of the land lordship has already been allotted again. Without providing lordship any opportunity to the petitioner, we are lordship continuing in the land lordship since
You have
2000.
no possession over the land and
That-
no documents of land less other
that is the
than
reason.
purchase.
After 2.5 months, how they can say that we are not in?
No,
possession?
it's not that.
No. In their lordship, your lordship will see just up before 1 and 2.5 months.
Yes.
Land was allotted.
It's okay. There can be mistake.
No. That lordship, I have annexed that document, lordship.
Your
to-
annexion, what does it, in first approval, what does it indicates that you have all these documents?
Lordship, the document based on which lordship allotment was given, that is your lordship will find at page 11.
Not 11, where it is mentioned in page 16.
No, that is.
Where does it mention? In page, at page 16.
Malati, half of the
See, the same district subdivision
Madam.
committee could make a mistake.
Before that, lordship, verification was done. After considering the.
Where does it you indicate in the minutes, first minutes?
That lordship, that they will say whether on the.
They
basis-
say that they are not, you have to indicate here.
My lord, in the affidavit also, they are categorically admitted that we are in the possession.
Where it is?
Lordship in their affidavit, your lordship will find. Affidavit by the lordship respondent number 2. Paragraph 4, your lordship may kindly take.
Same being is not unknown that the petitioner. What does it say?
Well, paragraph with regard to statement made in para 2 of the petition, the deponent back to state the same, being not known whether the petitioners are occupying the said land from 2006, but at present, the petitioners are occupying the said land. The deponent, paragraph 3 of the writ petition, the deponent admitted the fact that SDLAC had approved the allotment on so and so.
Yeah.
With regard to the statement made in paragraph 4 of the writ, the deponent admitted the fact that serial number 48, which was approved on so and so, was cancelled in SDLAC white number so and so, and the same land was allotted in favor of respondent number 6. It is also decided that all individual land allotment would be taken up in the next SDLAC. But my case is that, lordship, the land which are occupying by the present petitioner lordship, that land has already been allotted in favor of the respondent number 6.
So what?
So we are lordship living there by constructing dwelling houses, etc.
They said that there's no, they not known whether they were since 2006, but at present, you might be at present
My lord,
occupying.
there are some certificate and documents based on which lordship allotment order was issued.
Yes.
Lordship, the land is allotted to the persons who are landless. They have to produce the landless certificate, as well as my learned friend just now has said that they are river eroded people. That certificate was also issued to them, and that certificate are to be produced. Your lordship may kindly come to the middle, that document which I have just now submitted, the middle one, lordship. The middle one.
Page 3.
Page, yes, lordship. There are 3 flag marks, the middle one, lordship. Serial number 33, the rejection. The present status of land regarding the position under the LOT of serial number 48, has your lordship got it? 48 has possession. He has got the position over the allotted land as on 5/2/26, but has no related documents. The related documents are that landless certificate, those certificates were never been produced by the petitioner before the SDLAC. Because of that, initially, though lordship it was approved, but when the mistake was detected, lordship, it was cancelled. That is the
It is
reason.
not a mistake, lordship. Based on the record, lordship, I have some documents.
If he has got those
Lordship, I have
documents, he
got
can
that
again apply.
landless certificate also, lordship.
He can again
Lordship,
apply,
can it be
lordship.
taken up with the next week or after vacation, I'll file an additional.
You apply?
Yes,
He can again
file an
apply,
additional affidavit. This is the lordship landless certificate, lordship.
Whether he has
Basing on
placed all
things,
those
lordship.
documents before the SDLAC.
That lordship living, staying in the said land, lordship.
Where we dispose of the matter, allowing you to submit if you have any
Lordship, it will-
relevant documents,
Lordship, cause a great prejudice to the petitioner because.
then we'll
petition-
dismiss the writ petition.
My lord, that is up to your lordship.
Ah.
But so far the documents, lordship, my friend is saying In the record, lordship.
Sir,
page-
see, this is from the record.
No.
We have asked them to produce. We will see the records also.
Let them submit their detailed affidavit on that, lordship. I will reply on that.
What?
My lord, regarding on the basis
You
of the-
show us whether you have submitted before, whether you are obtaining is not, you are having with you is not enough. You have to place before the authority.
My lord, here
See, under which law you are allotted?
landless people.
Claim landless under which law?
My lord, there is a land policy, lordship.
What policy? Which policy?
That is some rules, lordship. Today, lordship, I have not.
You don't know.
My lord,
You are claiming for allotment.
My lord, can it be taken on next week, lordship? I will find an additional affidavit. My lord, page 11, lordship, this is the verification, inquiry report before allotment of the land. Before allotment of the land, lordship, inquiry was conducted. That is page 11, your lordship will find. Page 11, the translated part. This is the verification report of circle officer.
Huh.
Saying that the petitioner is landless people, river people. That is a lordship will find.
Why don't you submit all those documents before, certificate before the authority?
He has submitted, lordship.
Where it is?
Where, lordship, that is on the record, lordship, that will be on record. These are the documents, lordship, that was placed before the.
Is there in
authority.
any
Yes.
documents?
I have to search, Lord.
My lord,
Find it out.
without document, they cannot allot the land.
It's not allotment, it is just an approval.
Approval.
What they are saying that accept the possession,
Yes.
accept the possession, there are certain requirements to
Yes.
of the
they have been
documents.
done, lordship. They have done before that.
Where you have made this statement.
Page, lordship, 11, your lordship will find. This
Where
is-
you have made the statement that you have submitted all these documents.
My lord,
সিহঁতৰ ডকুমেণ্টৰ ব্ৰাঞ্চটো পালেহে আমি গম পাম।
my lord, these document, lordship, that they have prepared, lordship, before allotment. Landless certificate, verification report, all these things were placed before the committee. After examining this, lordship, the land was allotted.
See, it was not an allotment, it was an approval. Approval for allotment.
Allotted.
Now for that you need to produce according to them, except for possession, you don't have other, you have not submitted any documents.
My lord, that document before that, lordship, they prepared through verification and landless certificate, lordship. I have lordship submitting one landless certificate.
You are not denying, most probably the person do not have any land. But he must have to submit all those documents before the SDLC.
Yeah, they have-
Otherwise, how they will come to know?
Without that, lordship, they did not approve that.
Our whole contention is on 3 grounds, lordship, it is rejected. If they have land, in that case, it is rejected. If
See, this is of 2016.
My lord.
Which date? 0302. When your approval was?
My lord,
When was your approval?
approval was 2015.
Then
My lord,
these are
all
the
these
things.
document, lordship,
These are the things.
my lord, these document, lordship, after verifying and allotting the certificate, lordship, that certificate, perhaps, lordship, before that, lordship, they have prepared, lordship, I will place, lordship. Can it be the next week, lordship? Because we are, lordship, continuously possessing the land since 2006, more around 20 years by constructing, lordship, houses. These poor people,
See,
lordship,
these are the problem.
my lord.
See, your approval was in 2015.
My
Forget about the particular date. You have obtained this.
My lord,
When
this
did you
certificate subsequently, lordship, that has issued by the circle officer.
So then that is correct.
Before that, lordship, all these.
That is
documents-
correct. That's why your the approval has been cancelled.
My lord, their document after verification, lordship, pays, that is their lordship.
Sorry, what do you have you made a mention that you have submitted all the documents?
that means, lordship, on the date of the meeting, lordship, he doesn't have that.
Government
He
land,
did not have that
what
document.
what document they will require? They have, lordship.
They
the-
must, you must know. What does it say?
My lord,
Anybody can come and claim a land of, tomorrow, lordship, I will come and show this high court land, lordship, I am occupying this land
their lordship,
for 20 years.
submission is made. My lord.
Where you have
consider-
made your statement?
I have not found out.
My lord, paragraph 3, lordship, we have submitted the various representation before the authority. They have responded, have caused various inquiry through circle officer with a view to settle the land.
See. Okay. Yes.
Settle the land. During this period, the respondent have caused various inquiry through the circle officer with a view to settle the land to the landless people who have been eroded by the mighty river Brahmaputra. However, considering the need of the people, the others so-and-so, headed by the so-and-so, held a meeting on so-and-so. In the said meeting, after threadbare discussion and considering the report submitted by the settlement officer, land totaling so-and-so under the number so-and-so has been allotted and approved by the said land advisory committee in favor of the petitioner. 15 lesser is and their names appear at serial number 48. They have conducted thorough inquiry, lordship. After that, lordship, they placing this report, lordship, they have allotted this land. The problem is that, lordship, that area of land has already been allotted in favor of them. That lordship, by operation of the interim order, we are still continuing, lordship.
So we'll vacate it. It will merge along with this.
My lord, that lordship will get because they will be lordship homeless now. They will be lordship homeless because these people, lordship, are very poor category of people, lordship. Lordship, just one opportunity, lordship. I will in the next week, lordship, I file an additional affidavit. Let's say some documents, lordship. Just one opportunity, lordship, because these people's otherwise they will be in
After arguing the matter at some length, Mr. M. Khan, learned counsel for the petitioners. Petitioners asked for petitioners pressed for a short accommodation to bring on record certain certain documents by an affidavit which would support him, which would support the case of the petitioner. Christoph, considering the submissions, come on. A week's time is granted to the petitioner. As prayed for, huh? No, and to bring on records. Any documents in support of the petitioner, a claim of the petitioner, if so advised, huh? Mr. H. Sharma, learned State Council to retain the records till the next. You take this also. List after 3 weeks. Mr. Sun, what is your grant? How you have grabbed it? Huh? How you have been allotted? How you have grabbed the land from landless people? What school is what? It's a private school. Landless school. Very strange. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Huh? Jed Hussain. Jed Hussain, learned counsel is present. There cannot be landless school. School will be always on the land.
their own land. The school is running since long back on their own land.
Item 44.
Is there? Okay.
That's okay.
Yes, complaint.
No, Malad, what has happened, Malad, is there are 76 persons who have done the dissertation work at the year 2020-21, Malad. And dissertation work that it has been, most of them have done around 18 to 25%, Malad, but all have different progress of work, Malad. Thereafter, these are terminated. They have come with the termination that to be re-verified. That re-verification cannot be done once the rain, two, 3 seasons of rain has taken place, Malad. In the meantime, Malad, a committee has been formed, Malad. Committee had to find out all the 76% where the percentage of work had been done. And committee, that committee had, out of the 76, few of them have been verified and payment has been made, Malad. I don't have the exact in writing that the persons who have got the amount, Malad. Not to will give me 1 week time, Malad, to get all the because out of the
What is the direction of this court?
Today I have some
The
difficulty.
direction is at page 23, the relevant part.
Undertakes a verification of which would include the measurement of works done. It is needless to mention such measurements have to be done in the presence of representative of purchase so that no prejudice goes to either of party. It is clarified that the measurements have to be done independently for the individual work. We contemplate within a period of 2 years from the date of receiving. Such payments be made as indicated, and no proposal clause should be invoked as the challenge of the same is not pursued in this and this will, however, not to be a precedent for other cases. Yes. So you have done the verification. We have done the verification.
Typically, the verification committee has been formed because this.
No, we don't know. You'll have to. What you have to do is you have to verify.
I have to verify, re-verify, measurement again. That affidavit has been filed, the process once they were in 2021, the verification has been done, and subsequently it cannot be verified because.
No, we don't know. If you have not done away, you will go by this order.
No. I have filed my, today I am difficulty, I have misplaced that particular record. I have filed my affidavit. That the.
Are you saying that you cannot comply this?
Yeah, one of the is that this whole process it cannot be complied with. But
then who is stopping you to file an appeal against this?
In the meantime, committee has been, these persons will get the payment, among which they have also, some of them have.
Will it's a contempt proceeding, will not any justification.
On Monday, while because today I am difficulty, but I have.
Not Mr. S. Biswakarma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. On the prayer of Mr. S. Bora, Learned Counsel for the alleged contemptor. 2 weeks time is granted for compliance of the order of this court.
Maybe recorded that payments are being made, process has been used.
But a committee had been formed. Some of the few persons out of 76 have already been paid, They will also get the payment, but verification is going on.
That's
No, submits, Mr. S. Bora, Learned Counsel for the so-and-so submits that the process of verification is under progress.
And even few persons have already received it.
And some of the persons have been paid their dues after the verification. And the case of the petitioner also be paid. The petitioners will also be paid paid their dues after verification. Please stop considering above, and I spread for 2 weeks time is granted. Please to on the next date, Mr. S. Bora still place the compliance report. Compliance report. Compliance report.
Can it
You
be
do it
fixed, Manoj?
after 2 weeks.
Can it be fixed after the vacations, Manoj? Oblige, Manoj. Deeply.
Compliance report.
Well, my lord, I will get.
Did you hear?
No, I have.
Complaints report.
May I please, my lord?